we see a little bit of a pullback before seeing its continuation out of the higher time frames. Anyhow, those are the top line figures. We'll get to morning, buddy. No other day like today. 2/25/25. Picture that. February, it's not really a second month of the year, day 25 and year 25. So 2/25/25. Let's do this. Good luck to all of you. Manage the trade, manage the risk. The market will reward you. Play your plan. Trade your plan. Manage the risk. Concentrate. We can all do it. We can all do it. So, yesterday I played, and I played it wrong. I played the gold around 8-ish or so, or 9-ish, whatever time, and I ended up $90 down. Between Monday and last night, down over $400. Terrible for my account. But we gotta move on. Move on. Oh, crap, this is delayed. This is delayed. Oh, no. Picture that. It's delayed. So what do we have? 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 We have news today. Headlines big. Looks like the tariffs on Canada and Mexico will go forward. So maybe some more headlines here. And this is just a good reminder because it's been a little bit quiet over the last couple, week and a half or so in major tariff headlines. Say, hey, the drop of a tweet is all it takes. Next thing you know, your stop's getting wiped out, or huge move to the upside, huge move to the downside. Be prepared for that type of volatility. So continuing to be reminded of that. RBC Capital Markets gives an upgrade to a pharma stock that can rally 25%. Generally, that seems a little bit more risk on. When you're talking about bio, it's typically like R&D costs. Like there's got to be a huge payday at the end of this to make up for R&D costs and getting through all these phase 1, 2, 3 trials, so on and so forth. So this is kind of an interesting headline amidst a market pullback that would sort of suggest a little bit more of a risk-off rotation slowly. And not like, my God, markets crash and going to zero, but it is kind of interesting in the context of what's happened the past couple of days. What else? The email. Respond to this email or you are gone. Hims and Hers tumbles after the share misses on margin, says they may stop selling some weight loss drugs. That's the conversation we've been having. And again, very timely podcast snippet I listened to this morning was also making note of that. JB Demon says that the U.S. government is inefficient and says that the Doge effort needs to be done. So big fan there of the email, apparently. Chegg sues Google for hurting traffic with AI as it considers a strategic alternative. I just think that Chegg is gone. Now that we have generative AI, why would you actually need to go to Chegg? I don't know. That was a thing maybe, just emerging as we were back in, I shouldn't even say we, but as I was back in school, and it wasn't even that great then. It was, if you look at Chegg's chart, Chegg basically has done the classic, hey, this is like the coolest thing ever, and then AI comes out and crushes it. So, I don't know. Dob says, not demon, diamond. I know. Trust me, I know. You guys got to remember, right? When we're up here at the penthouse on floor 76, you got to remember who's directly underneath us. It's this guy, right? Although he is building that new tower in New York City, and they are moving out of this building very shortly, so we won't have anyone to Won't have anyone to ding dong ditch. It's been a while since we've called for that. Denny's slaps a surcharge on eggs as bird flu drives up prices. I was actually at the grocery store last night trying to find some eggs, and there were none. So very unfortunate. I think it was just a timing thing. You can't expect to go into the grocery store 30 minutes before they close and find eggs. That's just not how that works. So that's on me. Let's take another sip of coffee here, and we'll continue moving through the headlines. Nothing in the big, medium, two there. I would say as we're continuing down, Celsius CEO talks about a new acquisition and rise of sugar-free energy drinks. I think that coffee has always been the OG energy drink. Um, I don't know. I never ever was a big energy drink kind of guy. So I don't know. We'll move along from that. The only thing that I thought is pretty good, or I think is pretty good, and I only got this because they were giving them away at the Newport Folk Festival, which I'm very excited to be going back to this upcoming summer. Is if anybody had a yerba mate, maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong. Yerba mate, it's with a Y, Y-E-R-B-A. But anyways, those things actually taste pretty good. And they're not carbonated, they're not all overly flavored. They're just kind of like a very mellow, um, I guess it is just yerba mate. Like, I don't know if that's its own thing, but anyhow, real good, real good, real good. And I would take that 10 out of 10 times before I even consider trying a Celsius. The yellow cans are so good. Ain't that the truth? Ain't that the truth? It looks like the chat here is all aboard the yerba mate train. I love to see it. Love to see it. We're on to something good. All right, let's speed it up. It's 8:20 on the clock, and we've got to get on over to our favorite chart of them all. Crypto exchange Bybit says it's fully replenished the reserves after the $1.5 billion hack. To me, that seems like it must have been an inside job. There's a lot of social engineering that went into that sort of scheme with sending, you could read up more on it, but they basically had to know exactly who was in control of the keys. They had to infect all of those machines. So just very, very interesting to see how that one plays out. But the full replenishment does give the industry a little bit more credibility there. Bybit not going out and investing these assets, through some sort of drawdown and unable to repay them. Very, very credible from Bybit. So good for the industry space as a whole if you're thinking about crypto. Microsoft still plans to invest $80 billion in AI, but may adjust the infrastructure in some areas. That's in quotes, so I'm assuming that comes directly from Mr. Nadella here. Jensen Huang on Wednesdays under top watch. Anthropic closes $3.5 billion of a funding round. So AI is kind of in the headlines here this morning, but the stocks aren't really performing that well. And then Starbucks to lay off 1,100 corporate workers as sales sag. People are making coffee at home. They're sick and tired of trying to figure out, do I say vente? Do I say tall? Do I say small? Do I say, what's the other one? Macchiato? Like, people are sick and tired of that. I think at least. So Starbucks, sayonara. And they're good at the airports when you can't get anything else. But that's about it. All right, let's take a look through the charts. Let's do what we do best. Here we go. Jumping on over to the ES. This isn't the ES. This isn't the ES. This is not where we want to be. This is Google. But what we can do is, because I promised it, and I think it is worth setting context for today's session, let's take a look at hymns. Oops, we need an S there. Hymns, plural, not singular. Hymns, hymns and hers. What do we see? So generally, let's talk about this in the context of a couple of catalysts we've seen come out here, right? We have ourselves this gap down happening here, primarily the result of being booted out of the GLP-1 space when this is like, hey, you guys can produce this stuff and great, and it probably even goes back further than that. Let's try a 90-day hourly chart. Yeah. This kind of breakout through here is like, okay, there's a shortage of these GLP-1 drugs. Let's start producing them. Let's start selling it. And the shortage is over. So we're no longer really given access to that. And that was sort of a big reason for this move to the downside happening here. On earnings, you can see that the stock is underneath the lower edge of the weekly expected move. Sorry, not weekly, but rather earnings. Market maker expected move at 41.91. So HIM's taken a little bit of a beating, but would it be the end of the world if you're long HIM's? I don't think so, depending on your time scale, obviously, right? So depending on your time scale and what you think the stock should do over time, I would say that's your key, right? 34.40, this breakout level from in here, as long as you're above that, I mean, in theory, this could just get a massive brigade bull from something like the weekly perspective, even the daily perspective. perspective here, any kind of higher low over 34.40 really sets up the opportunity for a move back up to the equal highs over time. And I'm talking about over time. I'm not talking about like, hey, tomorrow we need to go back up to these highs. That's not how this is going to work. If HIMS is truly going to make it out of this unscathed from the hit to the production, the lack of production for GLP-1 stuff, then I really think that it is,
the upset for the
it's in store for like some sort of phase builds out here, and then over the next couple of months,
So
it will possibly grind in the upward neutral. So that's one viewpoint of HIMS for this morning session. Just understand you're opening underneath the lower edge of the market maker expected move, which in theory can start to kick off some dynamic hedging. Like, it wouldn't be shocking to me to see an open underneath 4191, cause some sort of gap fill reversal and a test of 3430. I would not just like start jumping in here and buying the dip, so to speak, on HIMS just because it's gapping down. HIMS took its own weight loss. There you go. Gee, where's the little, drums and cymbal when we need it? Perfect. Absolutely perfect. There's a number of classic jokes we could make about HIMS.
Because the opening regular trade was 7.8
No longer use your imagination as to where we can take those jokes. But for now, on a Tuesday morning at 8:24, keep it a little bit more civil. Let's go HD. Home Depot. I didn't map out the market maker expected move, but we can quickly take a look at the forecast open here, which is just like I was saying earlier, unchanged from the previous day's session, which is just in here. So yeah, Home Depot's got beat up a little bit. Yeah, you've got this sort of lower high happening from here to here. Is it gapping down big time? No. Is it triggering this as a head and shoulders? I would say the answer is no. Right? So the key watch here at Home Depot is just going to continue to be right here around 383. Let's call it for round number's sake. And it looks like we're opening above that level. There is no major gap down. A little bit of volatility here off of the initial release, but for now opening back above. So, like I said, the earnings roll was not groundbreaking. Oh my goodness, it's all set. Like, hey, knocked it out of the park. This thing should be ripping and roaring to the upside. It was more just like, okay, things aren't like Friday, but
the equities
I really think that if this is going to go, the earnings catalyst this morning maybe set some kind of lower high, and another equal low reattempt after a lower high, wherever really it would have to be anywhere underneath 401, let's call it, for the sake of round numbers.
catch them. You gotta
Anything
take them.
under 401, that's another equal low reattempt
every
at
time.
383. Probably
You can hold it all day.
right, and then we'll start looking at potential targets here,
Yesterday,
closer
that rally,
to 59.75.
gold
59.75. So, definitely an interesting setup for the movie and watch. Right? Just go out there and arbitrarily start shorting this thing.
We were
this
talking
morning.
about that.
No, absolutely not.
As we're
Absolutely.
approaching
You need one of two
solid
paths to
area
unfold here. So path number one is set another lower high,
Inventory.
confirm this is
Longer
overhead
term
supply
inventory points.
after the earnings catalyst, right? Because that's kind of what this all hinges upon. How does the market feel about the earnings catalyst? How does it digest the information? Number one is a lower high underneath the
Came out high.
in which case, then if we get an equal low, we look for the breakdown there. Lower high to equal low. That's one possibility. The next possibility is just that you break the neckline. So this would be number two. Let's say
So we had a nice
NLB,
little winner.
NLB neckline break, and then lower high underneath, right? And this way we can at least get involved on some kind of risk. Reward to the downside. Here we're looking for risk, reward, and balloon runners as follows. Okay, so those are the two big ideas for Home Depot. If you are actually on the contrary and you're thinking, no, Matt, you're crazy. This is not a head and shoulders. Which technically you might be right. It's not a head and shoulders until it is, which means breaking the neckline.
It's one of those trades you're looking for a minimum, absolute minimum.
If we were to get some sort of like, something that looks like this, maybe it turns into a short term, double bottom over 401. That's a way aggressive arrow to the upside. The intention was really to just draw something back up here towards these double highs, and now we're just in a trading range. Right, so you're basically saying you want risk.
Right, I'm doing how many contracts.
The upside. So I don't know if I'm overly interested in that exact idea.
Overage bar was about 31 fixed flat, so that's
Umar in the building this morning. That's pretty cool. For those who don't know, Umar is not only a fantastic trader, but his entire journey, I believe, mostly online. Umar is the founder of Trade Center, who sponsors the stream. So really cool. Umar, thanks for coming out to the show. I don't think we've seen you here before, so hey, it's a pleasure. First time running into each other.
We're at 7:30 now.
Gifted memberships, my goodness, that's huge.
What's happening with
This morning's show. So appreciate you coming out. Everybody, check out Trade Center. Again, they are. What you guys might notice, and here's sponsorship aside, right? Just
Knows where it
take
is.
this for face value here.
8 o'clock is our big moment. That's
You'll
what we
notice
did.
that Trade Brigade's been around for years, right? We've been at this for, I think, 5, coming up 6 years here
Schiller,
on
8
the
o'clock.
YouTube channel. We've been doing a live show for, I think, coming up on 3.5, almost 4 years. Point being is, you can imagine that I get reached out to for like, hey, can you sponsor this crypto exchange? Can you sponsor this prop firm? Can you do this? Can you sponsor this? Can you sponsor that? Can you, we want to find spots and, advertise on your channel. I get these requests all the time, and anybody kind of in the financial space does, right? But you'll notice over the span of 5 years, I think it's 5, maybe coming up on 6 here on YouTube, we've only taken one sponsorship, and it's from TradeZilla.
So far,
And it's a testament to the tool that they've built. It's a tool built by traders for traders, which I truly believe allows you to harness your trading data such that you can actively make improvements in your trading. If you don't understand what's going wrong in your trading, how are you expecting yourself to grow? You can't. So instead of, hashing together some Excel spreadsheet, TradeZilla makes it easy. It's way more than just a spreadsheet. So, again, point being is, I think it's a great tool. I really think it's a great tool. I use it. I encourage everybody to track your trades. If you don't want to use TradeZilla, again, do whatever you want to do, but it makes it very, very easy. So, anyhow, there we go. Umar, there we go. Thanks for coming out to the show this morning. And there is a unplanned sort of plug for the old meeting of the channel. That's because we like what's going on. All right, we got it done. Let's where were we? On Home Depot. On Home Depot, we're talking about how it could just be a trading range, right? Where you have some risk and work back and give us so that is what we got as a bellwether gauge. From here, let's continue to explore what we do best. Of course, these are little S&P 500. We've lost about 10 minutes. That's fine. Typically, we're headed into 8:20 on the clock. The ES Futures 4-hour time frame chart feels like home. Let's take a look. Let's see what's going on here with the ES on the 4-hour. So, as we kick things off on the 4-hour, we talked about this yesterday, right? Friday's session really put a damper on the potential progression into an uptrend where we're tracking these smooth higher lows in the ideal location for the next higher low in the trend count, which would have been right here, right? You have previous resistance, and if you were to turn off the extended hours data, you can see this with a little bit more clarity as well. This level right here at 61.15, 61.15, right? That is, I should say, the best place for a 4-hour higher low to form. And obviously that didn't take place. Friday breaks down through that level. So what we talked about yesterday was the fact that this is sort of a look above and fail back underneath the level. The fact that we didn't see a response from buyers here. The fact that we sort of are seeing this continuation even yesterday further into the range. It, to me, really just seems as though we need to take that neutral stance. The S&P daily chart, the time frame here is not trending on the higher time frames. The daily, the 4-hour, it's not trending. It's in a trading range, right? So instead of building out that long thesis, instead of sticking with the base case, we need to be flexible and say, okay, the base case broke on Friday of last week. The base case outlined this higher low. So with the lack of a higher low persisting over the level, again, the mentality here is anything goes as neutral in a daily trading range. You should be open to it. You shouldn't really have an overwhelming bias in this trading range. Now, of course, the short-term momentum has
Do I see a line here?
To explore that, we'll move to the hourly time frame
Let me
chart
see
in a moment.
something.
But before we get there, I do just want to talk about some downside targets. Keep in mind that this yellow box right here
What do we see here?
it's a gap from CPI, right? This is the January CPI release, and of course, it's unfilled. So if the market is going to make a continued descent, it acts as a potential target. Now, I'm not saying that this automatically has to be the place that we're looking for. Like boom, we go here, and that's the day. It's not a target. These are levels of interest that the market should
Change the
respond
color
to, right? So the
to
top
white.
gap is at 59.50. 59.50. If my memory serves me right, we actually have 59.52/3 there. It's been a while since we tested that. It's been a couple weeks. So 59.52/53 is the top of the gap, and then the bottom of the gap is at 59.0950. 49.0950. Right, so that sort of represents the gap close from CPI back here from January. Point being is if we see further downside, possible for if we see upside, I think that the first thing we should be thinking about is another lower high. Yesterday we saw a great example of this. Let's go to the hourly time frame chart that we at least covered downside. Right, we just went through what this target is on the downside. Let's dig into the hourly and let's have a peek at exactly what we can see from this point of view. On the hourly, here's that Friday momentum. And yesterday, if you recall, one of the things that we talked about was that the primary idea for the session should be some lower high to keep the hourly trend down. Now, it would have been, in my opinion, a little bit better for a lower high somewhere up here because it would have allowed more opportunity to trade this range. It's so close to critical support here, where that 6,000 is just sort of a key psychological perspective. So this, would have been a little bit better to allow further downside, but regardless, the same concept still played out yesterday where there was a lovely lower high that was produced right underneath 60.5, the level that we were talking about yesterday morning, as a potential downside inflection. Right? The other thing that took place here, and we'll see this on the 15-minute chart in just a second. Let's actually do it now. Let's do it now. On the 15-minute time frame chart, you won't see this as clearly because we no longer have labeled this previous day's low. But the 15-minute chart was a beautiful lower high. This is a textbook trade setup. If you don't have this in your trade playbook, again, shout out TradeZella. You can build trading playbooks on TradeZella. That way you can tag your trades and you know how those playbooks perform. If you don't have this in your playbook, this is something that's like, I don't want to say trading 101 because I don't want it to make it seem like it's overly simplified or like this is a no-brainer.
Failure
Remember, we talk about trading on a spectrum. You have difficult trades here, and you have easier trades over here. The trade setup that I'm about to tell you about falls on this side of the spectrum. An easier setup to watch for is you make a new 2-day low, you set a lower high underneath that, in this case we're talking about a short, the same thing is true but opposite in the upward direction. Make a new 2-day low, set a lower high underneath the previous day's level, and if that aligns with VWAP, which it does on the regular trading hours, if you look at SPY as a proxy for that, right? There's an easier, again, not easy, trading is not easy, but there's an easier, rather than more difficult, setup to take, where as long as there's some semblance of sellers stepping up on that retest right there, you're basically looking for risk and reward back down below. And that's exactly the trade we took yesterday. That's exactly what we were talking about in the Discord chat, which FYI is completely free. You can join us and you can hang out in there. You can go see exactly what I'm talking about. Timestamp it all. Go check it out. TradeBrigade.com/Discord. Anyhow, that's a classic playbook setup. The reason I bring these things up is because the market's exhibiting signs of sellers taking control. The market's exhibiting signs of sellers taking control, right? If you make a new 2-day low, you sell lower high underneath, continue, that's bearish. Okay, we put back into range. In theory, what does that start to suggest? Low, below, and fail, right? So if you're a stronger buyer looking to participate in this market, what do you want to see happen? You want to see a higher low back in range, set up the daily error candle, maybe the daily marginal look, something along these lines. Obviously. But if the daily candle looks something like that, maybe now we're low, then you're high, targeting a thin structure retracement into the previous level back here. That's obviously not the case. We're opening lower here for this morning session. So the point being is that through the analysis thus far this morning, we've seen that on the lower time frame chart, it doesn't make sense to have an irrationally bullish stance on the market anymore. All right. We're in that neutral consolidation trading zone. Down in the short term, getting follow through to the down. So based on this 15-minute reversal as well, that we just talked about here, as well as here, very close to 60.5. So with this understanding, I think that's come into the 3.5 questions for this morning. Pretty open mind. Plenty of different things that potentially unfilled but maybe a soft bearish edge, like cautiously bearish, seeking lower highs still. I think that's the name to game. Before we get into the path, I do want to shout out here Geo again with $39.99, keeping up the daily streaks. 21K up from 18K for the year. Thanks for all you do, Matt. Hey, that's as much as you come to the show and as much ideas here and there, I'll always put it back on you, right? Geo, that is all on you for showing up every day, not just to the stream, but to your trading desk, executing flawlessly, as it would seem. We always have our little hiccups here and there, but that's on you. So you show up, you get the job done, you do what needs to be done, you make the right decisions at the right time. You're managing risk appropriately, obviously.
Market open,
Results. So
all the way back up to that level,
that
that's
is
the highest level.
all on you. I would say 10%
After
of
putting in the
trading is
high,
like maybe coming to the shop and like making sure the technical picture is in place. 90%, that's on you. As soon as the bell rings, that one's on you.
As long as that pairs.
So
We're looking
anyhow, awesome stuff. Love to see it. Let's continue along with our 3 questions though here. Do the charts on the 15-minute time frame chart. As we move into it, number 1 is always where are we opening relative to the previous day's range. Here's the high, here is the low. We are currently opening inside of the previous day's range, which means there is no shock at all here this morning. The gap down that was persisting not too long ago, that's the title of today's episode.
Profile.
The gap down over here is no longer
Excess
really high. We are opening back inside
Lower
of the
excess
gap
low.
downs. Last I checked, and this kind of
Balance
video
that first
as well
hour.
as we'll talk about that momentarily. We're opening in range, which means neutral, but starting to think about patience being an outlook here. There's no
Low
shock.
excess low.
That's why I made a question 1.5. Whenever we are dealing with an open in range, we ask where are we relative to the value area. Value area high is up here at 645.50. Value area low is down here. 16.
We shall see. Let's take a look at
We're currently opening underneath the
starting
value area, which means that those bears similarly out of the subtle dead. This is sort of coming
widest
of prior, the hourly chart, any 15-minute chart, any
goes back.
so undervalue leaves the bear's edge. It's not like we had a pure play balance range yesterday, which constituted
Now we're back.
the value area was much more like
He comes off the 200. He has support of the lower Bollinger Band, and now he's heading to the 9 and the VWAP. This is where I was last night looking for this move. He's heading over to the regular fair value point of control right now. Bull. That's on the 1 hour.
That's what we're talking about, right? Is this
30 minutes. 15 minutes.
Where you can see that the market moved down underneath the prior day's low. Java traders are trying to get something going on there. Notice the lower bottom here to here. Another lower low in the trend. The trend was firmly
decision.
and that pushed me downside. But it didn't really stick. So there was an attempt.
Got 1 minute on this 15 minutes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. This was a 7:30.
Charts to materialize.
We're not
So you can read into this too.
How's the goal?
Which just suggests that we're probably bearish that you was right, didn't test the prior
Right around
The gold, oil.
Define price acceptance underneath the prior day's low and offer some sort of gap down.
Interesting area.
So
I don't sense
that,
located.
I think that it cuts both ways here, where I would want to primarily lean into question 1.5 and say, okay, I'm underneath value is low. Probably a little bit bearish here, even though opening back
So,
stays low. I think that one of the consolidation in this circuit right here,
recover, touch the 9, and it rejects. So those are things that I look for. What is it doing? It has a channel. What's the channel? The lower band holding it, the lower Bollinger Band holding it, and then the 9 coming down hard on any candles that are trying to push over the 9. So the entry was here, right here at 8 o'clock. It's hitting a level right here, top step level. You have top step, use this. See that, what I'm talking about? Look backwards, look to the past to get a feeling for the future. The immediate past is this right here. Let's look at the 30. Again, the 30. Bam, bam, bam.
Who's got it? 80 something. I'm waiting for nothing in the chat. All right, I'm gonna take a sip of coffee. 75% of the out there.
overnight interest.
We expected something a little bit more precise. Sarah A. Sarah A. has it. We're going with Sarah's comment here.
Find acceptance below.
Sarah A. has it in
Find
the chat.
acceptance below this 5% level.
81.88. Continuing, of course, that's always how we use actually on this. So,
Or
81
or margins yesterday.
in there.
Profile,
1.8.
excess high,
8.
big
That's
excess
3
high.
eighths. Whereas
Look into getting here.
continuous 40%, say NS.
Long. I'm glad
What does it mean? All right,
I looked. I didn't get in. And look at this.
Abacus knows in the chat.
8:30 to 8:45. New candle just opened because look at the time.
81.8.
Down again.
Alright, here's the
Tells me that it
Wow.
may not be
Oil
unreasonable.
Range
Direction, in the upward direction.
tightening.
The reason I was saying like
Further
81% instead of like 90% here is simply because if you think about, this was down, this was up. It's almost neutralized already. I still think that there's an
Yesterday,
imbalance in the right here, but it's not really an upward saying, okay, the market should break out big time.
They still got the ball here.
Really correct that inventory. Really,
short cover.
the time, just to give you
Short
guys
cover.
some maybe further insight as to what this question is most helpful.
So, with target keeping. We're looking at the weakness towards more shorter time. Not so much longer. Crash like this, so there's but, yeah, shorter time frame traders, shorter time frame levels that are more like section. So this is the daily. That's means low, that's means high.
The broad market here, 95 was 91.
And then gap, gap.
Right.
I believe that's close, I guess.
Take a mental snapshot if you'd like. We're gonna clear this up. Boop. It's gone. It's the only magic trick.
Right, overnight.
How do
I define?
Alright, so pathing here
Well,
is primarily going to be around this range that we were searching.
here's the settlement price.
It's
That's
the
where the
distance
market.
in between the previous day's low, the value area low, but it's also, it's spot on
This, I'm sorry,
with
this
the
one's
6,000
this is
figure
for all intents and purposes.
market, right? 6,000 being a psychological component, and also just as a quick reminder, we didn't spend a lot of time here at this 4 hour just pointing out
Last
that
night,
almost the midpoint of the range, right? If you were to do something that looks like this,
the overnight inventory got a little
almost
bit
the
longer.
midpoint. Okay, so there's 6,000 right
Selling
here,
ever
which
since.
becomes that
Now,
key inflection point. Let's go back down to the
settlement.
15,
And then
Let's
make
get
an
into
assumption
pathing.
that
and let's see what's on tap for
shorter
today's session.
time frame. weaker
So
hands
my first
traders
thought
are the ones
is,
that are
because
mostly
question number
trading
1 and
in oil,
1.5 suggests that we want to be patient with a bearish
are
edge,
holding short
is
positions.
we probably want to look for some kind of
Holding
opening
short
range to form
position.
in here. And I would
What
love
are they
to
looking
see,
for in the market?
we always draw it in with a scribble. It
Selling.
doesn't have to be this precise.
Longer
Remember, the
time
market's
frame,
not always going to give us a
speculators,
picture perfect playbook.
Perpetuate.
We've got to,
Their
this is like
shorts
the game
to
of the market,
downside.
right? What's going on here in the chat with Rams? We appreciate you coming out to the show, but
We'll
this is
check
not
that
a
out here
place
pretty
to
shortly.
persistently be
if they
asking
don't,
for
Then they'll have a
the kind of
tendency
help you're asking for.
to
We are
those
going
shorts.
to delete these
Buyers
messages with the all caps
pushing price
and
back
the wallet
towards
address, and if it
or
happens
adjust
again,
for itself.
unfortunately,
Happens a
we're going
lot.
to ask you to leave.
The profile
There's your warning.
yesterday,
We're giving you a second
high.
chance,
range,
but
that
that's
ass
kind of
slow
that's
upside
it.
tempo.
That's the final
There wasn't
go.
a whole
Right?
bunch of momentum to
Okay.
that. We kind of had
Yes,
high.
we're talking about the pathing.
Overnight session. We're
If
gonna watch
we
this.
can get
We're
an
looking more and more
opening
like
in here,
with
then
gap
I would love to see some
from
sort of
yesterday's
candle
range
that
and
looks like
possibly
this.
low
And
last.
so what are we doing in this situation? I would say you might try to fish for a long risk reward, something along these lines.
To the weekly.
I don't know that it's
So
necessarily
on the weekly,
the best
obviously,
idea.
9
On the
weeks
long side,
of rally,
I think
9
for
weeks
me,
of
if I just take some of this back,
higher
right,
weekly.
the best long opportunity for
Market
me
has bumped
is see
up
if this actually is indicative of a
failed
lower low.
for 3 days.
All this
for
means
3
is that we
weeks
didn't
now.
really have an
We
excess
think about
low
high
printed
change
on
a
the market
little bit
profile from
last
yesterday's
week,
session.
Because
And
we're at all-time highs.
maybe it didn't even
all-time
show up for
highs,
a lot of
there's
people
really
in the
nothing.
chat because it
It's too much as far
automatically
as
gets flagged by
information
YouTube as
goes.
spam, but we're gonna move along with that, that's
For
fine, okay?
levels, in that regard,
Any
so let's take a look at
continuation
daily.
from it, and we'll just
So
deal
here's
with it
our
when it comes up.
weekly. or
Anyhow,
daily
back
chart.
to the ES, right?
Much
Let's stay
over the
focused
line
here so we can get the job
We're a
done
little bit
ahead of 9:05
against
on the
that
broad
line
market.
right now.
This is a
We
poor
kick
low.
off
This
high.
poor low
Wow.
means that there was no excess here in the
Get out
auction
of
at the
that
lows
long
of the prior
chest.
day session. So in theory, it could use do some repair. Does this sound familiar? It should. This was a poor low for the Friday session of the prior week. So
Major level, breaking major level right here.
and then as I was saying, instead of trying to take a long off of something that looks like this,
First three,
interesting
too sweaty.
break underneath priorities.
Let's get that back.
Fail.
That's always took.
And this is where you can use a little bit of discretion in trading.
But
Right?
for the
This
overnight
is where
inventory,
not everything's black and white as traders.
buying,
Right? We need to use a little bit of our brain here and say, okay, is this
short time
what's
frame.
more meat, right? And I'll just play this out as a
All
scenario.
right.
Is this more bullish here with just a higher
Order filled.
or is it probably more bullish to see something along the lines of a vehicle that looks like this with a higher low over 6,000, right? Yes. So if I can see this moving through here, structural bull market, sweep the low, come back into range, set a higher low over 6,000.
So that is the,
That's
that is the
where I would start thinking more so about the counter trend.
value
Because I was very, very
below it, open with the
choosing
gap,
my words
close
there.
the gap.
This is a
That the
counter
value.
trend CT, counter trend. We know that the last 2 days, Friday notably, was just Armageddon, straight shot to the downside, no reprieve all day, no 2-7 trade sellers dominant. We know that the market's getting some mirror action. So this is a counter trend bullish scalp in the context of a downturn. Now keep in mind here,
Overnight inventory already has.
near 6,000, let's just round up,
Side
let's call
value.
it 6 to 10. And then the target here will be a value area rotation, right? You can start thinking about the 80%. And this is something that comes from Jim Dalton, of
Profile
course,
yesterday.
godfather of market profiles.
Excess high,
But the
excess
80%
low,
rule suggests
unable to
that
kind
if
of
you
accept
look under,
lower
it doesn't
range
even have to be look underneath, but if you get
keeps us
multiple 30-minute sessions, because
one,
market profiles 30-minute periods,
4,
right?
5,
If you get
6
30-minute
days of
periods that
range.
close inside
6
of
days of
the
range.
value area,
Had to take out that
coming
all-time
from
high
outside of the
trading hour
basically.
session, which we
So in
did
this case,
yesterday.
outside
That in
to
the
in
high
would be back over value area
of
low,
high
60, 11, 50. There's about an 80% probability, and don't quote the math. I think that the study was the statistics.
That's what we're looking at this
You know, it's
morning.
much more of the pre-sickness era. I would even say like early 2010s, right? That's really where this trade idea comes from. But there's an 80% probability, there's an 80% chance that you rotate to the value area high, and the market, sees some sort of rotational move, right? So one idea here is that this counter trend move.
Well, we saw that
see a
inventory
rotation
readjustment in gold,
from
like you said,
60-10, let's call it, to
right?
60-45. So not to insult anybody's intelligence, right? But let's just say that that's a 35-point move, right? 35-point move. You don't need to capture all 35 points. If you grab 10 points here to here, and then the market starts like
69.88. Where is that?
if you
69.88.
capture 7 points from here to here, and then there was some sort of a high probability, high expectancy trade to take through that range. Then great. Again, the point being is that I'm trying to emphasize this is a counter trend trade. We're not looking for a major bottom to be formed in the market. We're just looking for
Of a courier to say yes, we did see that,
the upward direction to alleviate, so to speak, the air quotes
some
oversold.
writers here, all the prices
Oversold is very
pretty
subjective.
much steady to
Oversold nature of the market.
taking just
So
a
just
little
to
bit
get back
back
to pathing in its final form here,
in
and yes,
Was
let's
that
quickly
for
go
bulk
through it.
this day?
So kind of opening range in here would be ideal. We always know that they're in the 6 classic setup, so we'll
Okay,
say
so
yes,
that's-
this is technically
That's the target right there.
Yes.
69.88.
Remember that first target to the downside
On
right low down.
yellow line.
That's the top of the CPI gap.
We're gonna make it green.
Correct.
Said
Adding that to 52.
Now, yesterday, President
Let's say
Trump,
59.
second, said, pleasure.
Just so we have that on our radar, right? These two classic setups are always on the table. But that this turns into a look below and fail pair below that we just talked about quite a bit of detail. So that means something that looks like this. Let's actually see if I can grab the green frame. Let's keep accounting happy here. Accounting was pretty pleased with our performance yesterday. They're going to continue to give us grant budget, so we'll make sure that we keep that up. This is the counter trend long, right? That is my preference right here. I would love to.
Oh, I moved it.
This morning. Remember, markets don't typically move in a straight line. We did see a counter trend relief rally yesterday. And it's very possible we can see something similar if we get that again here.
I would ensure it was
The point is that on this level, we can still get to a lower high. If you're like, no, Matt, this market's got to go to hell negative basket. It's not. We're talking about bullishly surge down. Again, it's very intentional choosing my words here. This this is a counter trend scalp.
Open it with a gap.
Counter trend scalp to the
You
short
like it
down,
better?
and we know that the sellers have a little bit of a bearish edge here on the overhead underneath value area anyways.
Rude.
So this is not
Inline
ideal.
inventory
This
is
higher
short.
low is over, it's over
Open the
6K.
gap.
Okay, that's it for gold. Oh, I mean, yeah, gold. We'll see how it flares. We're risking 200. 10 contracts to make 140.
Let's go back down to the trade.
88, right?
Right, let's set a lower high underneath the previous day low, and let's continue to this target here. I am
That's a
much
nice
more
number.
fond
Good
of
five
playing
number.
the failure trades on both sides of this
How much
market
more?
today.
88.
Both
Yeah.
sides. I would love
Consumer
to see
confidence
that.
at 95,
Why?
so that will be
Because
a
it gives you a little bit of added confidence. When I say added confidence, I'm saying that if this market tries to break out of an opening range high somewhere in this area, and new money buyers.
Not gold. Crude oil. Sorry. My bad.
Stacking here, say NL2 stacking here, right? They try to
So
buy
we
some back,
tested
right, which is
the bottom of these two right here.
They just have to be very careful of their stop. Right? The short-term traders would put a stop right underneath the breakout level.
Right here.
If this fails back into the range,
Yeah, tomorrow.
now all of a sudden you have to keep in mind that these traders, as longs, start feeling like this. That's not the outcome we're looking for. I have to imagine, right? This gives you double confidence, right? You then break down, if you then break down underneath the priorities low. Now you have disappointed longs as overhead supply, and you probably have new money shorts activating new positions underneath the priorities low. So to me, the failure patterns in both directions are really the name of the game. The same thing is true but opposite here. You have new money shorts participating on the downside, new money shorts trying to short over high, which is again, it's a fine idea. There's nothing wrong with that
No
idea.
further rate
But
cuts
you don't
this
want to be
year,
the sucker.
or
Usually
into
like
next year.
this, as this comes back into range, right? Your stop should be, if the setup is truly there, stop should be somewhere near the just a hair.
Yeah, Bank of America's always been,
You don't want to be the sucker holding it through this green dotted line
one
to
of the
the
more
upside.
conservative when it
You want to
comes
take advantage of the shorts who are stubbornly
to
still
rate
holding this thing.
changes and
And then you want to
whatnot.
participate with breakout traders through the
They
top
talk
end of
about
the
their
range
first
because you have
couple
two things. You have new money buyers and you have old money sellers closing out of the
No
position.
changes
It's a
in
force times
the
two.
rest of the year.
So force times two.
Well,
Right?
coming out
Instead of just saying,
more
okay,
and
we're
more.
going with a breakout
No.
and new money buyers are getting involved, you have two sides of the trade. Two sides of the trade. So anyhow, that's my take here out of the ES this morning. It really boils down to what does the market do in this range here between the previous day's low and the value area low. It's very close to the overnight high. If you wanted to use a little bit more discretion and say you wanted to instead use the if it's all nothing wrong, right? Nothing wrong using the overnight high. So with this understanding, right? We're gonna clean this up. We're gonna go into the simplified path in the final Picasso, and then we're gonna move along and get the job done at 9:05. Here's your opening range, right? Here's your brigade bull to the upside.
you up,
And not really all that interested.
see the jet.
This
You up and
and
you
not really all that interested. Show me the failure. Okay, now we're cooking with fire. This is where I want to be, right? This trade comes in and it starts targeting 59, 52. Okay,
Starts
the top of the
5
CPI
o'clock.
gap, CPI
That's
dash
5 o'clock.
G, representative of gap. Okay, the other one that we just talked about is this comes back up in. Oops, I know the dotted lines aren't great, but this is going to do for now. We target the value area rotation, right? So your key levels, I'll put them in here in cyan because this is the only color frame we have not used yet this morning. Let's say this is a zone. This is about 60, 11. Let's say that's the value area low basically. To let's say 16.
I'll surprise you.
I'm off by a couple ticks here on the actual metric, so just don't worry about that. Obviously, trading ticks, the only size is
So far,
right.
so
So 60, 60. That's the top side. The bottom side is just previous day's low, which is here to get off by a tick or two. We have 59, 94 dots. We need to round down, down, so let's say 50. Okay, those are the keys. Those are the keys to the castle for today's session. Primarily, if I had to rank order what I want to trade out of this market this morning, I would love to trade this in red as number 1. I would love to trade this in green as number 2. I would say this is number 3, and this is number 4 over here. That's what I would like to see. Obviously, this is all predicated on the idea that the market is going to offer an opening
Three
range
of
on
our
the open.
contenders.
If the market
They're
gives an
all
opening
right.
drive,
We'll
then you
touch
can
the
look for
market.
higher lows over an upward sloping VWAP. Just understand that that trade might be a little bit trickier to play out.
Buy stop above
Right,
it,
here's your
sell
upward sloping
stop below.
VWAP in cyan.
Exactly.
Same thing to the downside. I would really say that the downside opening drive is a little bit more playable. A
So
little bit
far,
more playable because it's
sitting
instantly
right
going
in
to
the middle
offer
of the
this potential idea here in white. Okay, and that is that. That is that. I think we're good there on the Master Picasso here for the EOS. Let that simmer for a brief moment.
Yeah, come on.
No options here today. And then we'll jump on to the Spider's Cash. 8:59 on the clock leaves us 5 minutes to get through the remainder of the broad market. I don't know if we can do it, but that's that.
It is a very interesting spot for this last
Right.
round. So
Sip of coffee for me. We're gonna clear it up in 3, 2,
our entry price was right on last week's low.
Oof.
Very going.
and let's continue along. Obviously, right, this is just something that should be, this should go without saying. Market internals are going to help you set the context for whether or not this trade makes sense, and you should use, again, this is something that you need to do personally on your own trading, but do you want to use aggressive size? Do you want to dial your size back? Is this an A plus setup? Is this an A setup?
Short.
B?
So
Right,
short.
what are the
the
market
first
internals
whack
suggesting?
goes to
I would say yesterday, just to give you a quick idea of
back all the
like
way up to
how
seven.
I'm thinking about this market. Remember, and we mentioned this in the pre-market prep, right? If we were to get a counter trend move on mild market internals, mild, bearish all day, that is where you're looking for the lower 5% fade to come in. This is exactly what happened in the open yesterday. So let the market internals guide you as to whether or not this is a good or bad idea, whether you're going with the exchange flows or you're going against the exchange flows based on the 2 rounds that we just went. All right. So that's that. Let's go back to Wall Street ES. Right. Happily, we go back. Let's take a look at the Spider's Cash. Let's go to the hourly chart.
It really was. It's made a little.
At 9 o'clock on the clock, how are we doing up here in the office? Likewise, we're doing all right. We've got about a quarter ratio. 4,500 jammed up here into the office this morning. Love to see it. Appreciate you all coming out to the show. And we got 1,300 likes. Not bad. You guys are doing all right for the ratio this morning. I didn't even have to ask. Love to see it. All right, Spider's Cash. What's the deal? Obviously, our ideas are the same, but the levels are slightly different, right? So going forward out of the Spider's Cash, we're just looking for sustained lower highs underneath 599.65. I would say actually the levels. It's not just that the levels are slightly different. The way they're aligning is slightly different. The futures, of course, have a little bit of that time premium priced into them. They do, of course, expire. Whereas the Spider's Cash does not. You could say that you have OPEX, of course, but point being is if you take a look at this chart, I'm going to zoom out just here to
Open at
really
Central Time.
drive home the influence. I think this is important, so please make note of this. 599.65 is a very important level here for the Spider's Cash because what it represents is the overhead supply after day 1. Remember, this is deep seek. Let's say DS for deep seek. This is tariffs. Let's say round 1.
Opening call.
Tariffs round 1. No, this is CPI. Sorry, this is CPI back here. This was the
Dunkin' Donuts.
CPI. This is the January CPI that we
4
saw
hours
down
a
below.
day, you can
But
get a cup
anyways,
of coffee and a
the point
donut.
being is that this 599.65 is a very, very obvious level where overhead supply is potentially going to remain overhead supply, and therefore any lower highs that persist, not only just from the overhead supply perspective, but look at the hourly trend here, right?
It's moving the 9. It's Tuesday, and I'm not going to play with this. Reverse 130 loss.
Order filled.
The hourly trend count. If we get another lower high underneath 599.65, that's exactly what it is. It's an hourly lower high instead of an overhead line up here closer to what we might consider like 601.50. So 599.65 is a key level for today's session out of these spiders. I would be thinking about potential any rallies there to reject. That's Friday's low, basically. Any rejections off of that area where you're still targeting the equal over 599.85. We're ideally looking for something along these lines.
Just to show you, I
In
guess,
the top box,
sometimes you're stopped
low
over
low. It's 9:03 on the clock. There's absolutely no way
So tough
we're
to
getting to
trade
the broad
around
market by
that.
minute 5. Maybe made a premature promise there. Let's try 9:15 to be done with the broad market. Okay. So that's your main level to watch. I would say if you could only have one level on your chart, someone breaks into my office and says, "Hey, you got to trade with one number today. What's that number going to be?" Boom, there it is. 599.65. That's what I'm telling them, right? We're underneath. I'm going to maintain a little bit of a bearish stance. I go above. I'll start to neutral. neutralize, and we know that the only bullish situation here is that if this is
More or
going
less,
to turn into a double bottom, right, you've really got to start showing some price acceptance in my view of over 603.25. So we're just not there yet. We are not there yet. Okay, we've spent some time on the splitters cash. Primarily, we talked about the game plan here on the ES. We just covered the level on the splitters cash. Let's move along to nasty NASDAQ on the 4-hour time frame chart. Let's zoom it out. Let's take a look and see what we can see on the good old NQ. This is much more range bound than the ES. The range, or I should say, range bound, but it is a cleaner range with better, more perfectly defined lows and highs of the balance, right? We talked about this yesterday, and we talked about it in the weekend update video.
Oh no, he's playing games with me now.
It is fail. In theory, the target on that foot fail is always the bottom end of the range. That arrow is a little bit aggressive, but you get the idea. Coming back down here towards 2100, which I made the mistake of saying yesterday, but rather 21,000. Can you believe that? 21,000 here.
Go. Bouncing off point of control right here, the yellow line. Bouncing off the 9 right there, the red line. He already bounced off this level, this purple one. Let's look at what it is. Let's leave no stone unturned. That purple one was yesterday's low. Let's start writing these things because it's pathetic not knowing what you have on your chart. You don't know what you have on your chart, you're doomed. You're doomed to lose.
See exactly what's going on. We know, just like the ES, right? This is lower line. This morning we're moving on a little more of a gap down opportunity here in the NQ versus the ES.
It's always a
Let's start talking about
possibility.
that from the 15-minute perspective. We'll talk levels as well when we're zooming in here. So, no shocks, really, right? Lower high, need to fight it low. That's that textbook trade.
This thing sucks.
Yes. We're thinking about, let's just speed round it through the 3 questions here this morning. Let's make sure we can get the job done here today. We're thinking about question number 1. We're opening right at the cusp of the previous day's low. So I don't know that there's going to be a ton of shock and awe. We're opening on like a 200-point gap down. Sure, there's shock and awe. If we were persisting down here at 21.3, yeah, there's shock and awe. But right at the previous day's low, which was basically
Yesterday's colors, anyway.
I don't know that there's a huge amount of shock and awe.
I'm gonna have them here on the right here, top step levels. Number 1, you need to know your levels.
So, number 1 is like kind of neutral to bearish. Number 1.5, we would be opening under value area low, even if we.
So top step X, TBT is looking to go long. Remember, I'm down 130 already on that. Now they on it. Now they long.
He was going to be mostly similar to the ES, but in this range right here, I would definitely look into. Let's. Sometimes it helps to have a higher time frame view. We're dealing with like levels that we should just be like in a range. Levels that we should be cognizant of, like where are they coming from? We need to know their origin. What I'm going to do here actually is turn off the extended hour session so you can see this with the most clarity as possible, right? We're opening right around in here, which is, 21,399, 21,400. We're opening right around in here. If we break this level, this is where we have that same concept, and notice how it sort of ties together, right? It's not a random level on the chart. This is deep sea.
Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Rejecting the top of the Bollinger Band, just like that. Holy mackerel.
75, right? We break underneath that. That's where you want the brigade bullets in the next level down below. Also, 21, we have 21,200. 21,200. Whoa, what's going on? I think the screen just glitched there. Are you guys still with me? I'm getting a glitch on my side from the stream platform. Let me know if you're still with me. We can do a quick check 1, 2. I think we're good. Maybe there were too many people in the office, and it just overfilled out from underneath. I have no idea. We're still here. All good. You can still hear me. Perfect. That's all I need to know. So
overnight.
this possible
really
downside target right
barcode
comes in at
it's like
21.2.
And
21.2
we saw
would be the downside level that we're going to be aim for, which is this prior support back in December. Okay? So that is the downside. The upside, of course, is if we get this consolidation and we're able over the midpoint of the range, which is 21.5.
But I don't see any overnight
25,
inventory, I don't see any real reason
If we're
to
over
jump
that
into
level,
anything
now all
unless
of a
we
sudden,
go
what do
with
we
the
start to
gap
suggest, right? The
in
open is
the
here.
opening range.
If we can
We're
get
close
this,
to the downside, so that's gonna
now
be.
we have the
So
first
you can
opportunity
brew
of
it
an
with
hourly
multiple
reversal.
places.
And if we get an hourly reversal, right, this sets up the move back to the top end of the range, which I would say the first major target that we should be thinking about is back up around the 21.9. Right, 21.9 holds the key. Then from the 4-hour perspective, I know I'm sort of losing you to just mental gymnastics here at this point, right? This is an hourly reversal to possibly get to 21.9. As we're thinking about 21.9, what do we actually want to do?
We're looking at all of the power points
We
here.
want to look for a possible
All
lower
the
high
power points
projection.
here.
So
So
think about the 4-hour time
there's
frame
over
chart
5
back
hours of
into
English
range,
grammar
and really
lessons and
remaining more
over
neutral than anything else.
500
Keep in mind
English
that
grammar
we have
lessons
previous
explained.
support
It's like a grammar book, but
Because
on
this is
the
back here.
So
That's a
if
great
you
spot.
like
Open
the
the
grammar
attempt.
but don't like
Lower
reading
high
books,
is keep
this
price
is
on range.
perfect for you. And if you want to get
That is,
quickly
that is
between the sections,
If we get
go to the timestamps that you can see on the screen here.
If we get the
Let's
upside,
start our macro
cognizant
English
of the
grammar
lower high
lesson
at
with
21.9,
articles.
this might, again, emphasis on the might,
Articles belong to a group of words known as determinants. Determinants tell us which, how many,
or time,
or who
525.
to do with a noun. Now, articles have some of the most complex
Okay,
rules.
that's your NQ futures in a nutshell. That's
So
primarily
let's
what
look at the
we're looking
rules.
for.
Start
Maybe a little
with
bit
the
too
basic
zoomed in
rules
at
and
this
then
point
go
to
on to
give
the
us like a
advanced
ton of
Let's
information.
first
I
of all
know
choose
there's
what
this
articles
bearish
are.
edge here,
I bought
so
a
if I had to
phone.
bring in the path
I
equating, we
bought
could just
an
walk
alarm
around
clock.
15
And the
minutes.
phone is
Right.
worth. Phones are half price on
This
Black
consolidation
Friday.
that looks like
Yeah,
this.
the article
Seems
here
like a
are
no-brainer
up,
into 21.2.
Un,
Right, that's a
and
lower high
the.
here underneath.
know what happens
Before
once
it's
there's,
the
uh,
A and
If we get
un.
something that opens here,
Sometimes just pronounced
rallies
un.
and brigade bulls above, this starts to set up,
We
right? This
use
is that
un
hourly
or un
neutral that I was
before
just talking
a
about.
noun.
You probably want to see the clearance
It is
here.
one
Over 21.7
singular
in that
noun
case, the target level is 21.9,
many.
right? So
Here
I would
we're
tend to
talking
think
about
that there's more of a bearish edge
What's
here.
our entry price,
Well,
Eddie?
there are
The
lots
other
of
thing that I think
phones
is
in the
probably
world.
important to make
Here we
mention of
just mean
before
one
we go any
phone
further
out
into
of
the
the
QQQ.
many
You
phones
guys
that
are
exist. The
What's
same
happening
with the
tomorrow?
alarm clock.
Average.
There
Let's
are
not
lots
like
of alarm
get
clocks.
too silent
$1.29
to
We're
just price
just
action
talking
trading.
about
Oil price is what
one
pays
of
to follow it intraday,
Good
absolutely.
thing.
But let's
We're
think
not
about the
focusing
broader
on
expectations
specific
of the
examples
market here.
of
What's
the
happening on
noun
Wednesday?
verb.
What's happening Wednesday after the
When we
close?
talk
What's
about the
happening?
phone,
Our stop
Right?
entry.
we mean this
Forget
one,
about this
but
stuff.
we're not
Is
saying
it
it's
earning?
different from
Is
other
it
phones.
possible? Right?
Here's one
Is
example
it
of a phone,
possible?
but
Just to
I
throw
can
it out
also
there as
introduce
a
another
question.
example of a similar phone. We're not
Is
being
it
specific
possible
by
that
saying
we're
iPhone,
express
Samsung phone.
ahead of
We're
NVIDIA
just talking about phones in
waits
general.
to make some sort of lower
It's also the first time that we've mentioned it.
I
When
would
you
seem
mention
to
a
think
noun
that
for the
it's
first
not
time,
really outside
and
the
it comes
realm
from
of possibilities. Again, I'm not saying that like
Left here,
it
guys.
doesn't have to be
situation.
a
And we're
breakout,
taking
it
the
doesn't
rest of the
have to
day.
be a crash. I'm not
And also
forecasting
important
the
that you
direction
can count
of
it.
cash.
We can
Well,
count
yes,
phones.
yes.
One phone, two
Is
phones,
if the
three
market
phones,
doesn't
one alarm
perform
clock, two alarm clocks, three alarm clocks.
then
But there are some words we can't
would not
count.
be like,
Wow,
wow,
we
maybe
can
can
count
count
it
it sideways.
sideways.
Like, of course I can believe it was
That's the
sideways.
difference between
I'm not
Here,
really
One
take a big
goes
bet
with
ahead of
starting
any
with
other
a consonant
place.
sound.
True
An
risk managers
performance starting with a vowel sound. So a
So
phone
anyhow,
is
that's
a
one
consonant
thing
that
to
the
just
thought sound is a
attach to
consonant
the
sound.
NQ
An alarm
analysis here,
clock
the
starts with a
sentiment.
vowel sound.
You know,
Middle
we
of the
can talk
one
about
is
some
tight
things
short.
all
The
day
sound
long, but if the
that
market
matters,
just
not
does this all day,
vowel or
you know,
consonant.
I'm not gonna be,
If it's a
don't
vowel
color me
sound,
impressed.
we say
That's
right.
both which
If it's a consonant
Anyway,
sound,
yes,
that's
and
the
the
NQ.
morning
Let's
is
take a
there
quick
are
glance
some
at the
situations
cash
where
ETF.
all
We've got
about
about
letter
3 minutes
actually
to get
corresponds
through.
to rise in terms of
We
sound.
can see the
Now
overhead
let's move on
supply.
to
Yeah, this is
the phone
QQQ.
is
Check
black.
there. We
How
can see
is
the
this
overhead
different
supply
to
level is this, 5.
Otherwise,
Right here, that's the high low sort of
we
area
are
down
making it
here.
now
We get
unique
support
in
above
some
it,
way.
maybe that counter trend line.
So here we're not just referring to any phone.
Notice it is a
We're
big
referring
area
to a
from
phone in
these
particular
particular
which
areas
is
of
black.
support.
As we can see on the screen, it's
Now,
black.
that's
So it's something
as
that describes it in a unique way
the same
compared to other
significant we
phones.
just described on the
The phone is black.
NASDAQ
that,
Not
futures.
another color.
who's
Context,
gonna
right?
be joining
The
us?
phone is on a
Numbers
specific
here.
example
Or
of
by
the noun.
BT.
I keep trying.
So here we're going to just
This
need
is
one
going going to turn into that
Thing we're
right
talking
shoulders,
about.
the neck
We're
line
talking
break
about
people.
Yeah, it's coming.
phone, so we know which phone it is.
Big
We're
downside
talking about
target is the
phone.
equal lows half
Yeah.
by
See,
test.
And it could
Note
be any phone.
that is
We're not
extended to
specific
the
to
lower
just
edge
one
of the weekly
individual
chart.
item. This
This
is
is a
well.
suggestion based on
there
also
are-
its market pricing. This is not a hard and fast area to see or notice, and it doesn't really align with anything here. So it's expected to be open.
I bought that
A
phone.
tariff gap
Your
down
phone
there, but
is black.
I would
I
not
bought that phone. That's the first mention.
deals.
The phone is black is the second mention.
Quick
very generally introduce the phone spec. I now become more specific by adding well in front of the word.
Rusty Russell is continuing to get absolutely annihilated.
Just,
So
phone, as we saw,
we've been talking about the New Balance, hashtag sponsor.
But
But the ultimate
finding the basic uses for the last time, whether it's no one's going to talk about phones are otherwise on Black Friday. This is something with zero cost because we don't use all for
we broke it down, obviously, right? It's like jokes aside, we can have fun with this chart, we can call
It's
it
because
all
of
sorts of different things, but what we have to remember at the end of the day or below is if you get into
one floral amount of many.
the thing that we have to remember is just that this
So there are
acts
many
as
things
a
in
win
the
for the
world.
S&P 500.
Some of them
The
are
more
hard
time
prices
spent
on Black
underneath
Friday.
this range, the more we would expect
So
to
that's
get.
just
The
one
harder
phone
it
is
becomes
in
the
one
S&P
phone
to
to
trend
half price on Black Friday.
the
There
upward
will be
trend
many
becomes
phones that
more
are
of a
price
headwind
on Black Friday.
pushing against
So
the
if
S&P,
those
then
things
even
are
providing a
So
tailwind
do.
supporting in the upward direction. The reason that this is
just
important is you can go
I
out
know
like
with those
Something that
phones,
is
specific
why
example
you-
of the now,
that
this
is-
floral count just represents
Morning show,
number
let's
of
do a
phones
Futues.
out of all the phones that exist
Why is
in
this
the world.
important? Because it's almost a
Yeah,
repeat of what we were
Usually
dealing with
this is
in
the
the last
first
cycle.
time you mention this. Phones
Large
are
balance,
But
obviously
about the same phones
Here's
before, I
not
could
as
say
much
the
of a
phones
large
can be
balance in
more
terms of this
this
ratio of time, but it's still a balance nonetheless. We've talked about this breakout, we've talked about the lower
because
line,
with
which is
phones, when there is zero article,
in the
if you have
Saturday
a
video,
it's
just
just
referred to as potential
or phone
head
heads,
I
shoulders. Right
always
now,
know.
the head
then
shoulders is starting
you
to
could
break down.
potentially keep
That is
using the
absolutely
floral
starting to
amount
break down.
and
It's
again,
starting to
and
bring
we
in
know
lower
parts
lows here.
when
So
something
this
is more
continues
used about
to
to get now,
with
time to
things
think
like
about Black Friday.
to see
Phones
what
are useful for
opportunities
keep
bring
up with news in the world.
right?
Like
That
that,
is
it's
the
classic
connection
football.
to
match.
So I'm listening to this information.
hourly chart, scientific
If I do
clock
that,
has been
then
enough.
I can keep saying phones
That is
without
absolutely
the
not
article.
a
Something
character
that's
trait
more
that we
information
refer
to.
to.
And when you use zero article, this is also with now
No more
cannot
promises
be
about
about.
time frames.
So for example, water,
Analysis going forward.
zero article.
When we have that the hourly chart, obviously, the length of this downward section,
Uncountable
we
now.
see the
Now
lower
let's go
high
on to the advanced uses of articles.
that does not
First of all, let's go back to the
Remember the hourly chart, we talked about the lower high underneath.
through these central
like
phones.
staying in range.
It's
This is
a black phone.
definitively
A range of phones are
small
sound,
size, which is a
a
very
phone is useful for watching videos.
let's go to the 15.
These
Real
statistics
quick.
reveal more about why we use
Take a
paper.
look. Take a look.
Paper and
On the
first of all,
15
can
chart,
be used after
communications here.
when mentioned for a second time.
In
Look at the
range,
first
two
two
values.
sentences.
We're
I
opening
bought a
with
phone.
midpoint, the
It was
midpoint
a black
range
phone.
as well. So obviously
I
not the
used
same
that
as
twice
the other two
in the first mention and the second mention.
we've seen.
Why did I not then
This is
use
much
that
more neutral.
for the second
Right,
mention?
much more
Well,
neutral.
the concept of the structure
Kind of aggressive breakdown.
was
That hourly we can see
it was
very aggressive
introduces
downside.
a compliment to the subject. So the black phone here describes it, the subject. Nothing happens to the phone. The phone is describing it.
As long as
What
we're
comes in
underneath, we were just calling it the big
First
two
for the
level,
use
22,
to
52,
arguments to the subject before.
flat top.
And in this case, we can still use up with the second
We have
mention
ourselves
of the same
2222. It's underneath 2022.
If all the others are using A1 done, it's a range of phones. This is a group of
Underneath the lower line,
It's not just one phone, it's many phones.
use act as a
But the word range turns into a group. It collects it together as one.
really not much
How
more
many
to
ranges?
describe out of
One
small
range.
cash. Others
So
are
how
only
many
the
singular?
downside
But
target.
in reality, it's still many
Down
phones.
as 20,
So in the structure, and all that
is used, someone pay attention.
And then finally, a phone is useful for watching
Now, this
videos.
is
Well, here's
on that.
introducing an example
aggressive
to represent all
here
types of that now.
not much of a
What I really mean is every single
market never
phone
has to
should
do
do
anything.
this.
Market can do
But
whatever.
that phone
If it seeks
an
a
example
continuation, just
of
make sure you have a clean risk.
a phone is useful for watching
that
videos.
allows
This phone.
you to execute.
But then also another phone and another phone. They're all useful
If that's
for
what we need to
videos.
trade.
So if we need an example, that represents all types of video that we use. Now on to your phone. Let's look at sentences first.
This is your ideal.
The range of phones in the shop
As we
is
take a
more
look here,
expensive
the
than
ranges
the
are
range of
very
phones
well
online.
defined, just like
The
the
latest phone
has
has
the
new
features,
features.
but we can just give you the
Why do
update
we use
number.
the
Here's the new balance range, here's the old balance range.
Again, we have
Here's the breakdown, any lower highs that persist at
the
this
range
point
of phones.
underneath.
So here we
Here's
a range of
market
phones,
session.
but we have a slightly different meaning. We say
Lower
the
highs
range
that
of
persist
phones.
below.
Here we have to go back and
As
to one
line
of
of
A
HS
and
should be your new
with
clear
any
acronym.
we're being generic. It could be any group of phones.
Way in the
But
price of
with
the down
that, we're
direction.
being specific to that
The downside
group
is
of
just pretty
phones. So when we say
the
the downside,
downside.
we need
Make sure
only
you can
this
find that setup.
not all of them.
Blindly be
So
short, stick
that's how
to
we use
the
the
right.
group now.
As
Just
we
as
say,
up this
you never want to be
again,
short the
the
whole.
other rules for
You
using
want
the
the suffer short, just like you don't want the suffer
Also,
small.
when specifying an account to make it unique,
Years ago,
the latest phone.
don't be the suffer short.
So here we're not talking about any phone.
Something
With parentheses, something unique about it.
Just chase
Latest phone.
Screens are red. Oh my God, it's on the ground.
Always this draws
not
us
really
to the sense of
trading
one.
right? Make
We're
sure that
looking
you
at
have some semblance of your strategy playing out.
so
at
that
some
makes
level
phone
of
now
reasonable,
limits the phone.
metrics.
But other than talking about a specific phone, we have specified to make it unique in some way. And then with superlatives, so latest as an example of a superlatives are adjectives that tell us how to raise the lowest entities in number one, we take a look at last place. The latest comes from the latest.
Please.
Although latest is stuff,
You're getting some
latest
pretty
actually means
heavy
the last what's happened before now. So in other words, the newest. Because the last thing that happened before now is the newest phone. So the latest phone now is the newest phone. It's a superlative, meaning the number one in terms of which one came last
is not the
before
same thing
this
as
phone.
coming over here.
And now let's look at some advanced uses of the zero function. In these sentences, we refer to connectivity is vital in the 25th century. Phones enable you to connect to each other across the globe.
Exactly. Setting is here.
So here we found no article about
trading sessions.
so why do we do this? Well, first of all, no article can be used with topic nouns in a general sense. So it connectivity is a topic noun. It's the subject of being connected. Connectivity
About 63%.
refers to a number of issues to do with being able to get more people to that, being able to get that connection,
Depends on the
that
holidays
is
and how they flow from any given
transmissions.
365 is a year. We
Mobile
talk about
signals,
weekends do
connectivity.
Market tells you on Saturdays.
So this is a
Although
topic
with
now.
this 20,
And even though
24/7,
we don't use it
24/5 trading
afterwards, we still use zero article because it's a topic now.
overnight, let everybody
There
burn
are
their
lots with abstract
accounts, right?
that are not usually counted.
Maybe we'll get there someday. But trading days, trading days. Anyhow, that's your implied volatility rank out of NVIDIA. You know, if you're buying long calls, if you're buying long puts, you gotta make sure that, you know, you are prepared for a haircut out of IV if you intend on holding these through the earnings cycle, or just the bang for your buck is not gonna be there. Bang for your buck is not gonna be there. So a recommendation that, you know, you might read into a little bit could just be
Order filled.
catalyst days. It's like this. You just
Bingo.
sympathy, right? Which would be
Okay.
take
We got it.
say that
So we down back, we recovered the 130.
as
What are we gonna do now?
less
Remove this
AMD.
to right
It's
here
money destroyer.
on
Everyone
the
does
side.
that, right? What we say,
and
baby, at 113.40.
this
Look at our
to
X
down
speed
here.
boosted. That was beautiful.
So we got one.
So that's
Now
how we're gonna-
what?
money destroyer has been destroyed.
Trade 23. Let's wait to see what we got. See, hit the 200 right there. You hit the 200. Is at the top of the Bollinger Band, above the 9, above the 20, above point of control. Let's see what we got. Let's look for another opportunity to get in. I'm liking this so far. Come on, wow. Oh.
So, activity would also count as an abstract noun. It's not something that we can sense. We can't see it, we can't hear it, we can't touch it, we can't feel it, we can't taste it, smell it. It's not something we can sense. It's an idea that. So usually, if an abstract noun cannot be counted, use zero article. If we're saying what a plural noun is usually like, then we also use zero article. So phones enable you to connect with each other across the globe. Here we're talking about phones in general and what phones are usually like. What do they usually do? It's similar to using a followed by noun as an example of many. But here we're doing something slightly different. We're saying that it's what the phone is usually like. This is what the phone usually does. There are a number of special article rules, and this is often where most confusion comes up. I'm going to go through some of them here. First of all, look at the maps at the bottom. You've got the United Kingdom and you've got France. But notice I say the United Kingdom. But I don't say the France. I just say France. Why? We use the with countries which are real words or plurals or island groups. So United Kingdom is made up of two words which you will find in the dictionary. They're real words. United is a real word that means together, and kingdom refers to an area where one person is in control, perhaps a king or a queen. France, however, doesn't mean anything at all. It's just the country name, so we use no article here. Next, look at this river here. With rivers, we say the before them. The River Amazon, the River Thames, the river Mississippi, or just the Mississippi. However, with lakes or waterfalls, we don't use an article. So it's Lake Victoria or Niagara Falls. We don't tend to use the in these situations. What about mountains? Well, mountains can be described as a range, such as the Himalayas, or it can be described as an individual mountain, such as Mount Everest. Notice the difference here. The Himalayas, we have article followed by the mountain range, but Mount Everest has no article at all. With mountain ranges, deserts, and forests, we use the article. So the Himalayas, the Sahara, the Amazon rainforest. But with individual mountains, we don't use the article. What about words that describe directions on a compass? North, south, east, or west. Compare these two examples. I live in the north. I live in South London. Now you could have said, I live in the south of London. Notice there's a difference here. We said the north, but just South London. Let's go through. So what about the? When we have north, south, east, and west on their own, in other words, they are nouns meaning that area, then we use the article. The north, the south, the east, the west, or the southeast, the southwest, the northeast, the northwest. Combinations will also have the. Here, the words go on their own, and they mean a specific place that's normally known to be north of somewhere else, or south of somewhere else. But when describing another noun, we don't use the article. So we don't say the South London, we say South London. Here, south is describing London, it's describing another noun. Now there's two ways to do this. You could say South London, I live in South London, or you could have said I live in the south of London. So here we have the and of as the combination. Did you go to the shops? Did you attend school? Why did we say the shops and not the school? Well, here the rules are rather complex. Most nouns for places take the shops, the museum, the palace, the park, but some common places drop the. Did you go to church? Did you go to school? Did you go home? These ones don't have the unless you are deliberately specifying one and not another. Now it gets a bit complicated here because you could, when you say, did you attend school, you could mean one school in particular. But in general conversation, when we say, did you attend school, we may be thinking of one in particular, but we also mean just the concept of going to school in general. And if it's the concept of going to school in general, it doesn't matter if we know that it's only one particular school that you go to. We still don't use the article. However, there are some reasons why you would want to specify a place and use the. If I said, did you go to mean one church and not another church? So when we try to distinguish between different nouns of that type, then we would use the. But if it's seen as being a general practice, which is routine, where maybe it only refers to one particular place in general, in principle, it can still be without the article because we're referring to the concept of going to a particular place, even if it's the same place every time. And finally, transport. Taking the train, I'm travelling by train. Now, why the train, but by train? Well, this is an exception in English. With common transport types, it's usually the done thing to use the before the transport. But when you use by, don't use the article. I'm travelling by train, travelling by bus. So by makes a loop, by the and there are a range of detailed lessons on articles on my course Advanced English Grammar for C1, C2 students. I've developed this course specifically for advanced English students who have a higher level, perhaps IELTS 7, IELTS 8, but you want to progress even higher. Article use is one of the ways to improve your level of English once you are at the higher levels, because getting them right will make a fantastic impression on people who are either reading your work or listening to you. So there's lots of on my degrees and lessons and exercises. We have some of the things I mentioned. Those are all the basic uses of. How do those two pictures? What do they make you think? They might make you think.
Order filled.
This is an example of some excellent art. In our self-conscious selves, these are highly valuable. And this introduces two of their commonest this and this. And together with that of those, these words are
Order filled.
It's having rejection of the this level here, which is this is the BWAP, the regular BWAP. It's having rejection there. It's having rejection of the upper Bollinger Band, and also I see a level somewhere here. I believe that's a level. Yep, that's a level. That is a level. The regular hours are open now too.
Yeah, we're obviously out of that, a little bit of a pickup, that's okay.
Talking about Nasdaq sellers, S&P's,
Feliz martes.
middle.
Que lo estén pasando bien.
Gold, fuck off the highs, sells off the highs, 29.58, house top is long, oil, 72.07. It's up.
Okay, this didn't work.
But right now, I saw it up to 86%. Right now, we're 83% long, 71% of the money. Average price is 70.31. And it's hard to prove.
Let's see, 70.4. Now just rolls on rates.
Oh, didn't take me.
S&P's is fine as well. Higher S&P's.
Order filled.
Okay, so we're out. We're back to red. Let's look at CL.
Still sees fire. S&P's looks like
It dipped below this level. Remember the levels? They disappear. Let's see if we get them. What level was that?
Pretty thin as fuck. Oh, full bit. Okay,
So, what level was that? What was
Minus, we're down 1,600.
so this one? Settlement. Settlement price. It went above. Look, it struggled to stay above settlement price, which is this line right here. This little one right here. Let me make it. I'm going to put it red for now. Right there. That's the settlement price. It went, picked it up, and then it stayed above it, and now it rejected it, and we're going south. Let's see what we got here. We got NQ. NQ.
I think it was higher. I'm tired. Super cars, just listen trades like that. Time to use options. Plus, I'm already having that shoulder surgery, so I kind of have no choice. I'm gonna sit on. And I have to use the other band.
60.04 last trade in PL. NASDAQ, we'll see 363, bottom out at 32.
Long one from 57.
1,357 on last time. Or, I'll have 313. Chat, dude. Here's that one. What? Kids going at arms and knife. 60.05. In the net or DS. Or so. So let them do it.
So we got the first 5 minutes in. Let's see what the 5 minutes show.
Chat.
Right here, let's do the magic. Let's do, oh, I gotta change you too.
88,700.
This is where the stop loss. They managed my stop loss right on that last candlestick. But it's, you can have it. If you want, that's. So they do high in the old. $20 away from the all-time highs. And also, real quick, from the top of the chart, top sector levels. Oh, check your levels, make sure that's real estate on. Efforts. Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
So let's see. Bounce, 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 rejection, rejection, rejection.
Explain. The roughly 40s. Oh, no, top there. It's like before you once. Right, it's 160. They take off low right now to like 400. Andre, sir, 5% off the all-time March high. Just put in the low. Well, overnight low is below that. Just traded right to. 5% 327. That jack shit. Oh my gosh. Also, there's no opening range. Rejected those 90s. Like it was. I don't think like another one. Also, he gets back. See profit, take profit. That's 6 points up, 6 points right back in. On this epic delivery after the deal. That's the front of the house already right now. House companies want to prove. So we got 5,200 people watching this out of the gates. About 7 minutes into this open. Click like, click politics, subscribe. All that goes to continue to build this sucker. I'm Marsh, 150,000 subscribers. Yeah, concept levels. If you want that booklet on the charts here in my concept X, get the page tab on concept levels and slap those suckers right. Charts where it goes out game. No buyers, no buyers.
Order filled.
That's fast. Hey, you see rejection with buyers like that. They thought they were tight about the tail. There was felt like it makes completely reject like that.
Order filled.
First, where's just come in just actually wow.
Well, yeah.
We need to fix this. We got 150. We're gonna do 250. And take part off it.
Just put
175.
and take out the high of the movement range. And the NASDAQ by 4 points.
Yeah.
And that was just all stops. So when the opening range breaks to the downside, you know, a whole bunch of people that look to the short side. Put the stops right above the high of the opening range. And so we just took those stops out, and the sellers just it really almost. There is just a battle.
I'm gonna buy long. 3 long.
Order filled.
Long.
Oh my god, it's
The risk is gonna be right here. Right here. 320.
eye out for those pounds. And this is nerve-wracking in any direction, honestly. Obviously, you want to be selling.
320.
Sporting, yeah, as mentioned in the chat. The top of TV Slack, St. Louis Bill Rock, and blood. Happened to have a house account.
320. 270.
I can't tell you what it was.
What are we looking to do here?
Range traders.
What are we just putting here? Online.
The time being, looks like some solid stuff in here is NASDAQ, blink your eyes, buyers went right back. S&P's right, should be trying to figure out to do the 6,000 level, 6,000 one last.
This is what we got in last time, reversal. Let's do that. Reverse.
Order filled.
720. Oh my God.
I'm so indecisive about where to put my stop right now. Volatility, and now I have a squeeze. That's why I'm not taking out. Go below the previous bar line about 5 minutes. It's not taking it out. I know. I know. I feel like now I have last. Sometimes you go low, something around 21,350 NASDAQ. Total 327 is buyer step in. Yep. Points right now in the NASDAQ. Long in fruit. 50 until as.
We're gonna take that as giving back my early gains, going back to break even, and then back to green down plus 20 points on it. That was a whipsaw of an open after missing my lawn and yes. So I'm gonna do it just a touch for a little bit. So this is the normal. Plus 1,200. I actually was long in I was long 98 in the pre-market and stupid baby. It was full take profit like I should have done at 60 10s. Let it come back to my entry and ended up just getting out about $7 or speaking.
So we are short. There we go.
It's an expensive baby.
We at
Order filled.
what happened? I pressed the wrong key.
So I was kind of just
Order filled.
Okay, so we back in right here.
those price action type reasons to get out of the trade to profit. Just do that. So actually probably should be out of that trade.
You need to get a harness so baby can just on their chest. Like,
I have one and she's actually awesome in it. It's just yeah, I tried this. She's having strings as a shot to find me. So let's do it. Myself, it's just there's a lot going on right in front of this. I mean, they didn't have to trade.
So the target right now,
Almost sent him to college, he's going to fly, so why?
130.
Lower your hope. Stuff back.
130.
2003. 5% off all time.
130.
300.
300. Right here. Right here, 300, man. You hit 300 and we're good.
This morning.
Practice account. Entertainment and educational purpose only. Oh,
No 2,000 lot, huh?
I mean, that guy has been a thorn in everyone's side, I feel like, for the last couple sessions. He just shows up, let's like post your own clothes, starts throwing some size on, and pulls and scoops and moves it. And then eventually we kind of have waterfall shortly after.
Let's say look out below and buyer step back in with it's like the song's gonna try to take this thing lower in the NASDAQ again, and push this thing lower and fly low. Well,
So what's the next level you got? Yeah. 1,200?
yeah, I have 2 million.
Pretty good.
I have the lower.
Yeah, definitely is still really. Okay.
Those videos, like it. So we need to find a lot more stability than just a temporary bounce. Temporary.
How much violence can we get today with the NVIDIA on deck and potentially some downside hedging for things like PC or anything Trump's gonna say, or potentially the tariffs for Mexico and Canada being back on the table this week? I don't know. Still long to go?
Yeah, I'm still long for 312. My finger on the button.
Okay, so we cross here, we're going to add right here, let's do it fast, because this is gonna fly 309.
Someone. The algo sees on the sell button.
Well, it happened last night. It happened last night. I was just ready to point straight in. That's so important. Stop and get the money. That's right. All right. Well, we should skip this. Very, very volatile right now.
Order filled.
Deck on deck. You're in. On top up, TV, mobile trading, all week, live traders, live execution. But the problem is, losses. Transparency around here. It feels as well.
Order filled.
Eddie, what do we have on tap on the calendar? Supposed to, we got it.
Coming up here, top of the hour, the big number today, consumer confidence. We did 104.1, but I'm looking at 1.5. We also got the Richmond Fed. It's a bar market for the Feds here, and bar speaking, that bar can go off of this. 10.5 bar, 90 market.
Order filled.
Okay, so we in the green again. Finally. Wow, we're going to the low. We crossed that old thing. Rebound here. What is that? 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Not work. Now, we run these lows, and then we find some buyers, maybe.
641, 741, 841. We down $200 from yesterday. Wow.
Hey, Nick. That's of life. It's almost real.
What was the entry?
With a buck 20.
What was the entry here? 308.
21,000. Oh yeah, up left hand corner of the screen. I'm gonna say by now. That's what we're gonna do.
This guy's still in it.
Spaceship rocket north.
Yeah, he's still in it. Ah.
Hashtag power on. So the top step TV. I want to see some trader station setups. Love seeing those. You guys have worked with me on choice. My do is what we do screen arrangements. I will talk reroll. Rearrange ours. We're trying to get a little bit of selected some ideas how to select the streets. And hashtag power hour. Hashtag fast one is at top step TV.
All right, I will recover point, make a short one. I think I'm locking myself out for now. I'll take it to be one. Yeah, we're selling off market.
What market is it?
NQ. Right along with blue trade. Fortunately, I did not. About 15th. But now it begins sellers.
So sellers and builder over their skis here. That's what I'm watching. I'm watching to see if we get continuation down below this. We're gonna jets. I'm sure there's plenty of people. Are we gonna pay for logs there? We're at liquidity down here in these B70s. We find some buyers. Sure. That's enough.
See some absorption down the bottom, maybe Delta was building and then it kind of pushed through the upper and low. Let's see.
Just very picture. 1,290 last trade in the NASDAQ. S&Ps, these 6,097. They're gonna try to push it lower in S&Ps.
1, 2, 3. Let's see how this plays out when we add value to it.
Value for the first time, long time.
I want to see that. So Let's see if we do the J reversal. The J reversal. I think we're going heading north, south. How much we have on this candle? 3 minutes.
Gap and volume there.
Where are the levels? No levels here. Holy macamole. Oh, we have a level. We have to, no, but this is 30 minutes. We gotta be at 1 hour. 1 hour.
Low 70s.
Wow.
If the correlation, risk assets.
I have a level
I
at
think that's where it shocks.
21, 122. 127. 21, 127. Let me write it here.
Strategies is now called is printing quite a bit. Though I am printing at those 3 stupid
21.
rates. Oh, there's a big one. But,
We're still on lows.
no,
Or getting that continuation down. Or lows. Or lows.
127.
overnight low on ES 77, 75. Yo,
Mm.
doesn't that real problem be in Bitcoin tips too much? Because, we sold all this verbal stuff to buy Bitcoin highs. The fees dropping. They can't do it the other way. He said that you can sell Bitcoin to buy stock or something, but that would be crazy. It would take market.
In black and white.
75. Look, third day in a row on the open, just smashed into the downside. 21,030. NASDAQ. Gold selling off, Dow selling off. These are this is the target area. This is those 220s, lower 200s that I'm looking at.
Okay, beautiful failed upside orange.
One.
21, 127.
That's everything first.
One's last, low
Right
rate,
here.
ES.
Right here. La Colombia. Phoenix Trader. Advanced value system. Right there.
Selling off.
Right there. So we heading here.
It's bad. Same size.
Right here.
Down below, 21,100. 206. So,
Right here.
Size.
Right
oh, you
here.
can tell if you're walking the ladder home. When the algos get out, that means there's some paper upside downside. But algos jump out on the asset ladder when tips.
What about a bit?
Nice, nice, nice.
He's my only bit
Nice.
too.
I like this.
That was my-
Go, go, go,
yeah,
go,
that's
go,
what
go,
it
go.
was.
You hit here.
Gold is very thin.
I'm long 231. How many times? One. Small size. 231.
Dakota is long. 31.
6 minutes.
Consumer confidence coming in. Right here. I'm gonna write it down. So,
Bottom.
Well, in order to give it away,
Yeah, CYA 29. This is small size. I'm not. Well, have that this nice little break of this bigger lower highs. So my stop, my spice is kind of it's actually basically what I
and you're down to 4.3.
wild. Go on for
But I have a trying to really emphasize my aura. They're expressing.
It was a 260 last trade in NASDAQ. I'm not a 250 hands. 50-point bounce there.
Is the trend,
That is a level of yield on the 10-year that you think will wake up after using items.
Okay, so he closed this little gap. So he gave a balance.
Oh,
So if this candle right here would have gone south, meaning black, down, it would have created a gap between this wick of this candle of 9:45 and this candle of 10 o'clock.
59.83 last trade. Spotted up 59.7.
This is the 9:50 candle. We're looking at 5 minutes. So let's look at the 15. Ooh, 15 looks better. Wow. Wow, no wonder he went long. See, that's why you gotta have bigger frames playing in the background. So you don't have to switch in between and miss the big kahunas. Wow.
One, back up this go. 2 up.
I should have went long with him. Looks better on the
Sorry.
15 versus the 1 hour.
Do that. Direction. If it goes in a straight line, doesn't go.
No. That would be too easy.
But up. Unless it's down. This week sometimes.
The volume candle. Look how much volume here versus here.
Wide.
See this here, right here, right here? There. The volume.
Subscribers.
Hold on.
that's kind of why I was working on how we're going to go with long.
Yeah, sure.
Because I thought we were getting too straight. Oops.
34.
Five, especially when we open kind of flat or about. I was thinking along the line 35 as a rates are coming quite a bit.
34.
Things are getting better there. 2 big days. I was so wrong.
Hop on my bandwagon. Yeah.
36. Short.
Minute. The number.
Oh, the numbers are coming. Forget it. Forget it. There's numbers coming. I don't want to be here. However, we can do it in no. I'm gonna stick here. What happened to? Hey, I wrote that thing here and it disappeared. What happened to the 15s?
Seconds.
One has it, one doesn't have it. Let's see what happens in the 5. You don't have it either.
Oh,
I picture this, how it does it on one but not in the other. And this travels not the text. The text does not travel. Let me put it right there. Wow. It doesn't travel. I like this for short. Oh no, I gotta wait for the damn news. The news. I almost got in, but I didn't want to go in because of the news. But I was going to go in right there. Right there. Damn. At 37. That would have been 10 points.
Light it up that like a lot of
Stops are just fine at us. Oh man.
I'm going with 3.
Lower here. Find out. 1,000. And lower game guys up.
My goodness, I missed myself. Oh, I should have done this one, man. I should have done this one right here. Oh, it's my fault. Hey, crap.
You lost.
Oh, man. Antonio. Antonio. Oh.
One is actually 170. Yes. Probably low demand for
127, loud and clear. I placed it here. One. This is my one. No, this is not. This is not my 1 hour. 1 hour right there. Right there is the 1 hour. One. Did he move? Yep. He moved. 21097. Close.
That means 2%. 72% short of the NASDAQ. I'm saying, that's 60 about 10. That's big. You're not low. I said, daily levels, have those open.
196. One what?
Look for did you see the gap in the S&Ps? Session gap was from
097.
59. That would be lower 59.
097 in black and white. New target. First target, second target. It's almost there. Can you dig it?
Also, to go to the left, January diary low. That's another 150 points down. You sell this near the low, so you can make the new lows. This is short term.
I'm waiting for a rebound to get in so I can get to this target or this target right here. This target or this target. One of the two.
This is another interesting dynamic. It's been a while since we've seen something where we have rates coming down, stocks selling off.
Coming up because I want to get up. This move was 35 to what is it now? Wow, it was like 40 points. I would have gotten 40 points, but I didn't. Because of the news. Oh. 127. 127.
Well, just like yesterday, but doesn't it?
127.
We're sitting in this in the next session, just like, well,
Right there. Right about there. There, that's the one. Oh, I didn't do the other.
Yeah.
127 right there. And we're gonna do this one. 1, 1, 0, 7.
What's on the rollback?
Right there. 1 and 2. That's what we go. But 10 o'clock? Oh yeah, we got it.
just sit, wait.
Order filled.
Yeah, pop this money. No, they popped at 200, they sold right into that. Let's see if they go back to this lower. The subbies do lows. NASDAQ sold us 200. Close S&P 161.
Says, top steps give me a new way to look at the markets along with Midway. Thanks, fellas.
6947 goes through. Dollars sell off. Where are you at? 170. Along right here, that's 96. 20 points. Stop loss 165. One contract, one contract. This is just small size. Price to go to 186. 186. 1,186. I was looking at these 170s here, and I see a little bit of a hint of a double bottom. 170s. So as we broke through this, a little bit of indication to try and call. Especially one contract points. I think it's two grades me.
Order filled.
Using small size, not jumping in. Supposed to see a much better setup, much better stuff. Smaller size. So I don't like scaling into them. I look for leader ladder. Actually, let's figure out. Let's find the leader all right now. Three like the markets, getting bonds really have to know about. Those are going down, equities are lower down. Jack was just talking about. Lows through.
So we have a gap right here, a small gap, and it's going to feel it, and then it's going to go down. Already filled it. So we have a good one right here, a 50. What is the 50? What is the 50?
Oh, the only thing I see here is the 1 minute opening range basically being the high of the session for the NASDAQ. And we really got into the short. That's about it. Yeah, it's so much though.
Yeah, this is fair. $100. $100.
Algos. Predatory algos too. They see traders, onesie, twosie traders take that low below the opening range. And just try and push it up there. They have offers there. They try and hit all those stops. Then they look out. And
How's the 15? How's the 15? How's the 15? Well, this
$60. Yeah, go ahead to risk management. Just go. You want to go one to
this
all
came
sides.
out.
Will be my stop.
Let's do.
And for those that are asking, why small size? If you're 5 lot shares, small size is that because you're going stronger trend with sellers?
Correct.
Smaller sellers?
I mean, market's in sell mode, and if there are small little opportunities, I'm going to take it. But I want to take it with
I don't like this. And I only have 2 contracts.
Like right here, one, right. That will give it.
Hey. Hey.
So
this is too much.
my
10 o'clock. 10 o'clock came in. Crap. Oh man, this is terrible.
One is down.
So here we have a gap.
That's something that's off lows. Plus now.
So,
Oh boy, that will fly about 40 points off the lows. It would be NASDAQ. Well, 160 to 1,160.
so we have a little gap right there. We got filled.
This was the action of those 220s, just instant. It was just
He got filled. He got filled.
Oh, about 19 bucks off. the
Come
highest
on down,
price.
come on down. 45. About to add more.
Now,
Let's do.
Order filled.
We got 3 now. We're looking first target right here at 64. 64. Please come to 64. Or 67. Right here, we're going to place times 2.
all right, boys, we found frack now.
Actually, you know what? You know what? We're just going to do, let the market roll. Roll over there. You wanna, it's terrible. Oh, this is terrible. This is going out right here. 67, come on down to 67, come on down to 67. Since I'm a small fish and I'm a goldfish in a sea, no. I'm a little goldfish in a sea full of sharks.
Slowest hopper ever.
Not very slow. 12,188, 190s now, dude. Yeah, yes, things were hilarious.
Come on, man, a bit more. Don't go up yet. Don't go up yet. Don't go up yet.
Obviously, all these 70s and 80s. I don't mind trying one plots in this area, and these have all been scratch, like minus $20 here, minus $40 there, and don't mind this before. You do catch it as a rate. That moves to 60s. It hits all that. One of this report. Turn on this stop, go some time.
Lows. Lows, yes. 959.
270s for right now. Right from that.
Tops, come on! Come on! Don't be afraid of the big bad wolves. Don't be afraid of the big bad wolves. Let's take 200 here. Times 2. We got 2. Stop right here. 2. Oh, he came here. You came here. You crossbow shit.
7, 6 down. Yes.
Come on.
Order filled.
Damn! Bitch.
21,035. I have some.
Come on! Give me my money back! You're wrong.
Probably right.
I'm a little goldfish in a sea full of sharks. Ah, crap. Let me get one down.
See 21,000 evens.
One is on the very
40 points. Yeah, clearly, if you know. So let's see if we gotta get popped here.
This is the move. This is the move. Right here. 1. Right there.
Order filled.
Come on. 27, 127. We said 127. I placed it here. Look at the video. No lie. You could be here and win it. Win more than me. Make more than me. I'm a little fish. I'm a little goldfish in a sea full of sharks. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, strangers, you making money? Good for you. There's plenty. This is nickels and dimes till I learn, till I get confident. We got one rolling. So another one. Let's clone this. Well, let's see how he feels.
This feels like the most, out of the last 3 days, this feels like the most slow car crash I've ever seen, which just makes me think there's going to be a violent pop at some point in the part of the session. That's why I'm.
Okay. There's the next one. 127. Where is 127? 127, 127.
Yeah, nice.
127, right there. There. That's all I'm asking. 127. Go there. Go there. Go there. Go, 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 go. You go there. I'm a happy camper. Very happy camper. Go, 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 go. Go. There it is. There it is. Come on. It's only 114. You're there. Actually, well, let's go to 97.
Order filled.
Yeah. 269. You see it. It's no lie. It clicked 127, just like I said. And the cutter was going long. Long here, long there, long there. When you see the linear regression line, it doesn't lie. Now, why am I doing this? Because I get kicked out of every chat room I go. They don't like what I 1097. Because it's 10:50. And we're gonna rebound at some time. There it is. There it is. Boom. Target hit.
I'm just saying, we're showing emotions, letting, chopping things up. We're seeing how we can get that maybe. But that's what I was gonna say. Well, yes, there was a lot of things, a lot of times, but this is a little speed bump that we hit. And we're talking it out, that's what I'm hearing. A lot of minutes.
197. Hit. 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 I put it there and he hit.
Yes.
Yes is right on weekly kickoff high, weekly kickoff low right now. NASDAQ is way ahead. Yes is part of the beginning. We're right at the top of that gap I talked about.
Oh. 197, like I said.
Back.
Well, watch the video. It's no lie. Hit, 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 hit. You elected somebody because he was gonna make you money. Well, he's making you money going short. How many funds, mutual funds, ETFs, large corporations, they don't like to go south. But we do. Look at that. Wow.
1,075 new lows in the NASDAQ, 72s now.
I don't have any more levels. Wow. Antonio, with 3 contracts, you can make 269. With 3 contracts in the regular mini, you can make 2,000. Just add zeros. That's all it is. Educational purpose. But today is the live account. Let's look at the practice account. It's red. You want to make that green? I'll make it green right now. We're going to make it green with going short right here. No. We don't do that. Okay, new candle. Just open. Where we going? Let's look. We're going straight to 21. We're going straight to 21. That's where we go. Straight to 21. let me see. What was the level that I erased? I erased that level that was there.
Nick mentioned a little while ago, we need to be some sort of vicious opposite. That might happen later on in the day, maybe. Or hour.
I mean, I would not be shocked at this point. I mean, you just haven't found, the buyers just haven't found their footing at all. Like, they're not even able to kind of create any sort of consolidation, stuff to go falling back in any of the structure that we were kind of talking about on the way down. It just seems like they're getting just absorbed, and then a big seller comes back in and just pushes back down again and again. Especially on EX, like there's been just nothing finding its footing.
Well, just continue to sell out that large seller.
Let's go up.
Order filled.
We're gonna go 5.
Order filled.
5.
Order filled.
But we need to fix this. 175. 250. Look at that. 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 I told you I would go. Rewind the tape. No lie. I told you we're gonna make this green. We're gonna make this green. Fast and furious. Watch. Watch this right here. We're just gonna do times 3 right here. What did we say? 409? 490? 490 right here. Told you. I no lie. That's too much. No. 490. 490. Right freaking here. Come on. 4. Let's do 4 so there's no come on. I missed it. This was a PDRA taking over. That's why it went up as much as it went. But we're not out of the loop. Yeah. Watch this.
Back up. It's every short beam outside.
Right here. Come on down.
Well, the 100 tops up daily levels be long outside. US and NASDAQ. You gotta push down to those 60s. Might be interesting. Long, but how long is it going up? How long? Yeah, I mean, it's just basically what I've been talking about, just small size, looking for a really good risk reward. Up. I don't know, try to afford. Dollar risk. Alright. Progress. I'm not just gonna I'm just gonna buy it for no reason. I need to see some reason to. So we're right back down to the 60s. And it's just a see consolidation great. Lows, gold around 30 bucks. Gold getting hammered. Gold getting absolutely smoked right now. Gold down $30 less, $37 less. Hell, 45 minutes or so.
1770 close. Yeah. Below that, 29.
I missed the opportunity. I should have just pressed
That's what it says. My logs have been accurate.
sell.
Big profit for every.
But we are going to do it the other way. We're going to go reverse.
Order filled.
Up to 900. So it's going to go like this and then boom. But just look at this candle. Red. I mean.
Order filled.
Black. Really? I forgot to take the 250. But this is like a reversal right here. Let's see. 5. But it's not strong. Let's look at the bigger picture. This was the level, right?
High low.
15 minute candle. We got 3 minutes on this candle. This is a 10:30 candle. This can be the one that will take us next. So let's do this. Let's buy 5 long. Let's see what that
Order filled.
5 long. 5 long. Where will that take us?
Alright, so 1,000. Bar versus not gonna be, what's 106? Okay, pound. And price got it. Wow. Okay. Trap. So far it's looking like it. CYA's in the profit though. CYA's in the profit. Not arguing with that. Locking in 5 points so far. See 106.
Seems like I had to sell it. That's what. Profit on that one.
So the lesson today is
Almost filled that gap.
I'm gonna reverse this. I'm looking to reverse this.
Still inside.
I'm looking to reverse this. Looking to reverse this.
At a previous weekly kickoff level.
I tell you what. Yeah, I'm looking to reverse.
900 at the bid at 58. 900 outside. 900 evens.
They are.
Back.
Order filled.
Oh, I didn't even have to do that. He got me out 250 loss. Let's keep doing it. Let's keep it.
Get it. Oh. Where's he at? Where's he at? Yeah, it's filled. 58's filled. 58's filled. MT level board. Markets looking down.
I told you I was going to short it.
Order filled.
5 years was filled that time. Also saw how he goes with the Dow. Goes yes. We saw at the end of today.
Short.
Oh my God.
Short.
You got
Short. Short from 54. With 5 contracts. We're looking to get this back. And at 200, I'm going to add 5 more. Oh, it's already, no. Right here. I'm going to put it right here for all of you to see. I'm going to short right here.
Versus what thought.
We're failing these 50s. No support.
5 short at 35. But I'm going to fix it. I'm going to fix it right here. Got 35 right here. We are going to risk 400. 400. We're going short. We are at 50s now. I wanted 47 right here. So 5 short
First time I finished one
to add to this initial
yeah, and then
initial order at 54. So we're betting that it's going to go below 54, and we're betting that it at 47 is going to have more momentum to go
Order
down,
filled.
down to where? Okay, feel me? Feel me? So now, what do we have? let's look. So I'm looking at the 1 hour and it's not giving me nothing. So let's look at the full hour. I'm looking at it on my other computer, other screen that I have here to see what the deal is.
30. So tell us my downside. Tell us my downside.
Wow.
Tell us my
Only thing I have 28. So 28, which is the low of day, 450. So we want to get back as much as possible of this. So we're going to add 5 more. 5 more.
goals.
Ask.
45 bucks.
Come on, feel me. Didn't feel me. So I'm going to go.
Order filled.
And I have one open. I have one open at 275, which is too low. See, that's why you got to do this. Oh no, this is high. It's good. It's good. It's good. Very good. So we're going short. We're going short. We're going short. We're going against the current.
Order filled.
Feel me. This is good. So the target will be, let's see, from here it's 28. The target is 80. 80 right here. Where is that 80?
Hey, what's up, man? Come back in. Sound good? Yeah.
80. Come on, 80.
Downside.
80.
Downside.
Actually, 80. 85. Bingo, right there. That's the new target. What's the new target? 21. What did I say was this one? 2985. That's the new target. Text. Oh no, dude, let's just clone this one. Right here. New target. Call me crazy. Settlement. No. What is it? Settlement. What did we say?
That is turns to fire. Now back in long NASDAQ, 60 wide.
20.
60 units, man, I mean,
20.
trade.
What did we say? 20.
The time being. That really valid, we'll bond in there, hold it.
090.
At the low.
Oh.
So it looks like fire.
Oh.
That's
984. 985. Let's do 985. We adjust it. We will adjust it over there.
offshore, average price. Good. Orders. On 563. See if we get this pushed out.
Final PT.
Order filled.
Oh, why? What that Gemini? What took place here? Let me see something. What? Ah, crap, I had that 250 going. It totally killed my vibe.
There it is. Sorry, set this back on, first profit. Look at anybody say they could get listen, sometimes it's about where I am. What is that? CPS can rotate back up towards the,
Okay, let's get serious now. Okay, so little candle, a lot of volume.
Just,
Little candle, a lot of volume.
7.
This looks like a 3-bar reversal, but it's not. This one, no. But the market has a mind of its own. It's going to 9 and then it's going to come down. So we're going to play this up with 15. Low.
Order filled.
We test this area and then come down. That's what I'm feeling right now. So we looking right here. 126. What right here? 15, right there. Let's see if it does. Otherwise, this is going down.
One time, now we're left straight. NASDAQ, points off Lewis there. 40 points off Lewis, less 59, 47, lost one game. There. Down to Dakota. Definitely from tracks from 066. Market forward above 100. Get continuation back above 115. Or this. Why am I? So now. Sure, small sites, small ice. I see a good trade setup. There we go. There's one.
Well, we're not going to do 15, but we are going to do 13. So it's hitting the 9 right now. It's a nice round bottom. See that? Nice round bottom. But it doesn't convince me that it's going to continue up. Let's see. Nothing there.
Brass band, yep, that's true. 6,200, 6,200 people watching Top Set TV all across the globe right now. See the cool one. Well, one question, baby. Go live. Hit. Order post right before I go, Andre.
There it is. Getting closer, 600. Actually.
Good question I heard. Good question.
Or we take 5. Take 5. If you may. Okay. What did I say? It was going to get here and down. Wow. Because that was the main event earlier. Now let's look to see if there was
Not ever gonna get over trying to just help show you stuff. Help us. Never denied anybody because of.
See if it bounces off point of control.
Traditions for tonight, they just are permitted with my adults. We learn as we go. There's no roadmap for the big companies. But there's roads paths you don't want to go down that we challenge. In the past, find out what's the right.
See, it's bouncing off point of control. It had a little think of thinking about what, and then point of control, very, very important. Is this my level? Yeah, this is my level.
Oh, I mean, you're monitoring across them. Gotcha. Yeah. Sure.
There's something that I need to add here, but this is very powerful. Look at it.
Educate slow dashboard now.
Black, green, green.
I have flat. Right. What's 2020 about? Well, win percentage. Dick, Andre, I'm 1% today.
Okay, I'm gonna add 10.
It may be even worse.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's the 10 o'clock. We're going up. 10 o'clock. We're going up. It's gonna violate this white line right here, and then it's gonna keep going to right here. Right? Let me see. Is it this one or is it that one? No, they're all close. If we cross the 9, a lot of traders are looking to that, including me. Oh, no. Come on. Let's add some more. Let's get back to business with this account. Let's get back to business with this account. 5. Join.
Order filled.
Don't want you to change your trading strategy to payout eligible. Now you have a big day. You have a big day. You change. You don't. That's not the.
Order filled.
Close position. We're in too big. I don't want this account to go down.
Level.
Because look, I have a little business going on here. With attention.
Yeah, that was guiding them. $200, yeah, losing, whatever. Just it's a guiding. But that's what that is. We might.
Oh, we're gonna get that money back. I said we were going to get it back. We are going to get it back, and we are going to get it back. So we're gonna go NQ.
That will be failed. They probably will last year. Hey, I don't want us to get into that. At the same time, we have to manage. It's always this outline.
Let's study this for a second. Green, black, green.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's what you get. That right there. That right there. You saw that live and in person. Messed up. Huge. Messed up. Huge.
Don't worry about that one.
Huge.
Talk to you like a normal. Trade.
Totally bad. 7 hours on a Tuesday. Bad. Terrible. Terrible management by me. That right there is what takes place, and that is wrong. Let's see what takes place.
The boys in the chat.
Against my will, but I have to do it.
No, I was gonna say, happened, right? Someone, there's a little bit of fear, but everyone starts questioning. There's like an overreaction.
Okay. This is not happening. This is. And there we go. There we go. Don't be looking at that. Don't be looking at nobody. Don't be looking at nothing.
So, we're evaluating you. If there's somebody that's, you, they, not you, and the profile, what it is like, what's going on? We have an integrity, and it's really good, guys. It is doing one thing. So you don't want to be. I would never be going to Michael Jordan or trade on like an NFL combine. I can't, 40-yard dash for these 40 yards for trades. 15.
Start here. We were looking at this right here before the intermission. The mishap. So we're starting from zero. Level playing field. Let's see. What are we doing here? 15. I'm losing my.
It is very high. We've never even traded 21,000. So 4,000 or stuff like that. So you must always keep and experience is indicative of a live market.
So we got.
Just go over properly.
Okay, so it's 10:48.
Keep that as indicative of live market.
Let's go long.
Order filled.
Better trading their own personal brokerage account. You gotta set them up one for every prop that they want to leave.
And since this is MQ,
that's really good. That
5.
Horses for the benefit of you. Then some I saw won't want to have somebody running a 15-yard, 40-yard dash. We put your score up there. We all want to have the same level playing field. Still be working, you'll get results, get it through the get your way.
Order filled.
Okay.
That's really
Now.
$1,000 on the bid. If you look,
We could do this right here. Watch. I'm going to show you another way to do it on a top step, which is really great. I'm going to show you right here. You go to positions, and you don't have any risk on. You don't have any risks on. You can do it right here. Risk 200. And take profit 1,000. No. 800. That 800. And that's it. And it's done. Look, you just set it from here to 200 is gonna kick me out real quick. So I gotta be on my cross my T's and my Q's. We leave that there. I like this for my long too. Let's
So I told myself, no fat fingers today, and then here we are. Got what price you get? Yeah, you off of 1,200, and then he asked about 465. Yes, yes. So.
Okay, we're going here first.
There's 6.
69. Going to 69. We're gonna do, this is AMMQ, right? This is just one. Let's see, how long do we have? 8 minutes. Let's look over here.
I'm 13. Look, your eyes have been walking in the 40s. We're on 114.
Okay, so we are looking at one.
Right, jab, baby.
We're looking at
One day later, what about 300?
told you we're going to 69.
What about 300, $500? A day later, since I've added my winning position. That, my friend, gonna get you on the radar of being called up. I'm down to a run. One. I'll rewind.
We gotta go in with the 3 that we usually do.
Football train right here, folks. Differentiate. Or off. Pause. Very good. Marcus Lucas Cruz, is there a prize for the best VIP coach, the best VIP trader? You are really good. 6% long as the reshape something like that. Yeah. Zach. Yeah, who's done? Did I say the photo? I'm out of the good one. I'm referring to that. So, it's section. I'm future that chocolate treasure map. At least the chocolate treasure map. Back into that one. Yeah. Yeah, all right, talking about house money. Yep, city treasure map. Look at the sort of like no, it's not a chicken, but look at this. I'll do this thing. That's Robin. It's all over yet. All right, look this once at a time. This is where you get this, how you get to the treasure. This one's at a time. Is that price? Yeah, back in. We're what? It's all over there. Back, you know, put it back on. Oh my God, I got distracted. The lot of churches. A lot of things that we do. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. $21,400. $9. Take it. That's all. You want to get to the real another job?
I'll go comment because it's 11:56. I'm sorry, 10:56. I see on the 4 hour rejection of 4 hour looking good. The 1 minute, the 5, the 15, the 30, the 60, the 2 hour, they're all showing green. Only the 4, the daily and the weekly showing red.
That's right.
However, my indicator showing sell. Now, that's a change.
Hey, that's 89.
Let's see the 1 hour.
That, how?
1 hour looking good.
Last week, it's up with off the lows here. If we take any twice, no test.
I'm also at 65. I like to see if we find additional selling stuff in the back of this market. So then,
I need one of those hats for 5,000 payout.
I'm bringing.
How can I do it?
This one,
Learning, paying attention, doing what needs to be done. Let's sell 3 here. Join.
What's the top of the hour?
Order filled.
I sold 2. I sold 2.
Bring up the stats. So, look back. We don't forget to go, JV. Here we are, JV. Go ahead. Here are the issues as like
30 looking good.
a whole bunch of NASDAQ traders. And us, and $1,820.
I will be on that board right there.
The man right there in front of you, Mr. Dakota. 1,400. Look at the new day. Other, Airbnb, 10,000 and so trading NASDAQ and something GA. There's a gain of $14 trading. That's gold. 9,700 US.
So what I see is that it rejected the 50s. So I'm betting reversal.
Order filled.
Reversal.
Yeah, they were really.
Really hit? Or no? Why? Because it's 11 o'clock. But we're going reversal. Let me see what's happening in the 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay, let's look. Nothing here. Nothing here. Let's look what's happening in the 4 hour. Nothing there.
Flat, I'm flat.
Daily, nothing there. Oh! Dakota just took off his long. I reversed just before him. I'm going in the right direction. Wow. Check that out. Okay, so let's go back to 4, 1, 3.
I have, my flip trading days.
Ooh, let's add right here. Add
Yeah, that's the one.
there. Short. 30. Why? Because look at that whole week. It rejected here the 50s. I bet you that's the 50s. We're gonna see in a second. Yep, the 50s.
Order filled.
There. So now we have 6. 6 short. Let's see if we're gonna add one more short right here. Right here, because this could be they're just looking for liquidity to go up. They want to look for liquidity. So at 81.
Trying to, I guess, get it in the right spot. Just happened to do a little poorly times and give it a break. So I'll give it a little more patience.
Order filled.
Order fill. So now we have total of 8, and our right here I'm gonna buy three. I'm gonna buy 3 right there. 3 of 8. So then we end up with 5, and the 5 will be
Much broader, go out to let things kind of play out a little better than I'm feeling.
see with 59 059 059. We're looking to sell. I'm gonna add one more. I'm gonna add 5. So I'm gonna add 2. Let's see if it does. 5, yes.
60 points off.
So there we take off 5, and then right here at 38, we're gonna take we got 5 there, 3, 2 at 38.
Here's 8.
2 at 38. 2 at 38, and 1 right here at 27. 1 right here. Not 2. 1.
What I'm thinking. Posing guys, I took a series 3. It's no series 3, but I don't know why it didn't get there. Like, I decided to go buy a higher series 5. No, what's that? Could I sound like even on I would love it.
Order filled.
There we go. Do we know or do we know? So here's the lesson. The lesson is this. You get a huge black candle, which is bearish. Then you get the rebound, which is bullish. And then you look at the candle, and you look at the candle on the 15 minute, right? And then you follow it, and follow it. And then you look on the 5. But before that, you make sure you know what candle you're looking at. 10:15, 10:30. 10:30 candle on the 5. 10:30 candle on the 5. 10:30 candle on the 5. Wow, this is like an H pattern. Wow, it's gonna come in here. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, we're way out there. But who knows?
Where to think that I'm up? No matter how I've been doing it, fine. That's pro ball. It's pro ball. Yep. It's the harder thing to do. But buy the market, I process, I'm calling risk. This kind of this direction where it's really and this management it is at the key of any strategy. It's a matter whether you're just closing your eyes and buy, closing your eyes, I see some things. Whatever's out there, you're managing risk. Your strategy.
Order filled.
It hit. So now we're going for the lower one, which is right here. 21.18. But I'm gonna let it run. Letting it run, baby.
Stop. Yes, it can't. It's gonna buzz, like this new step dashboard platform. in the end here. Now, if you're traded in the United States, you're going to join the world list.
Yes. 30 days of one cent.
Right here.
Reset.
Let's see.
Date.
21.
Reset.
21.
Date and prevention damage. Yeah, that's, yes. So it's a whole new ballgame set up now.
2104, right there. Price target. Where? Let me remove this. Oh no, this is gonna be the stop. The stop right there. And the price target right here. Let me see if I have those babies somewhere in the. Wow, that was fast. That was. That's fast. That was fast. I'm gonna get out. I'm just gonna get out.
Order filled.
Get out. Clear everything. We done. Clear all. See how we made this in less than an hour? And look at what I make on my real account in 2 hours. Mind you that this was minus $90. So it's this plus 90, that's 360. My math is not good on the go. But I'm happy with that. Check this out. Put attention to this in my real account. 873. Average win loss 59. I don't know how. Yeah, average loss, average win $50. Best trade 374. Worst trade 252. I'm very happy about that. Extremely happy about that. Why? Because this is like my number blah 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 Columbine that I managed to keep it this low. Put attention to this. 260, 392, $1, 62.95, 242, right? 269. 5 trade, 13 trades, 2 trades, 6 trades, 1 trade, 5 trades, 6 trades, 18 trades. Amazing. Amazing. I give kudos to me, myself, and I. There we is. Look at that. Look at that. We opened this account and
We had two highs
where
around.
was it?
Hour 20 minutes
Right
ago, we
here.
were down $60 on the last hour. So
That's that. And I'm closing the stream.
48 days.
But look at this. You think we're gonna go down? Yes, we are. The price target is right here. So I'm gonna place. Look at that. Let me review with you how important is the 9? How important is the 9? The 9. Holding. The 9 holding. The 9 holding. The 9 holding. The 9 holding. So when I say holding, meaning holding the bulls. The bulls cannot get past the 9. They cannot pass the 9. There. Like Oliver Velez say, away from the 9, sell away from the 9, buy a close to the 9. So they made a move. Look at the volume candle with the way it made a move. And the 9 kept holding it. And here he crossed, but he never left. No candle was on the 5-minute chart was able to cross the 9 and close above the 9. So that gave confidence whoever is smarter than me to stay in the trade. And then when they see this one, see this? This one here, this one engulfed this one from top to bottom, not necessarily from top, but close to the top as possible. and that was the signal to go short. And short. And now it's kind of rebounding, but let's look to the right. Why did this one rebound here? Because it was the low here. So now we have a divergence. How is the divergence, Antonio? Let's see. As far as I know, is from here to here.
So what price?
We're gonna make that red. Red.
What price, Jack?
It crosses that, we're in business. Thus far, no. Why? Because it's getting closer to the 9. It's hitting the 9 here. It hit the 9 here and it crossed, but nobody was able to get above 61, so it sold off. Now, what we got here crossed the 9. This one definitely couldn't cross the 9, and it stayed down. Now we're trying again to cross the 9. We cross the 9, we're in business. We don't cross the 9 on this candle. It has 2 minutes to do it. The next candle doesn't do it. We are going lower. We have a divergence here. It's a 5. Look at the RSI at 75. We are going high. We are holding the port. What do we have on a Fibonacci? Fibonacci. What we have here? No, that's not it. Why? Or this is the other Fibonacci. That's the regular.
There it is. Also talking about the very visual service stats. He's talking right now, some of the here. See what he wants to say.
More hectic, those headlines, those positions.
Whenever I'm in a position, I hear those the more support sounds.
It's coming, it's coming at the moment.
What do you clench your fist or your?
The mouse. Eddie.
Okay, so here I'm going to show you a trick that I have. I didn't implement it this time, but it works most of the time. With attention, let's make it big.
So
I gotta go. Okay.
so long in the ES. It's probably left, right, center, and we have on the count 8.
Okay.
You got
That's good enough.
bar coming up.
Bar and bar.
Okay, so put attention. The bottom of the Fibonacci to the top of the 9:30 opening candle right here. 1, 7, 6, 6, half, minus 0.382, whatever, and then the 3. This 3 right here is 30% of the move from here to here. If I would have had this on, I would have probably gotten in short right about here. Mind you that this doesn't start here. We're talking, in the past. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes ago at 11:55. I mean 10:55. So 30% didn't cross. But if it would have crossed,
Or would be the
that's a long. But it did that. It rejected.
0%.
So here, this level is what I have somewhere. What? Oh, that's the one that I said if we cross. So in any event, I see this going, rejecting again the 9, rejecting the 9, rejecting the 9. We are on the 5 minute now. Let's look at the 15. On the 15 is another animal. Look, it just crossed there and it came back. If you played the 15, that tells you getting short. Right here, this is the 15. Open, close, low. We heading here again. We heading again here if we go past all of this. But I'm not touching it. I'm leaving it. It's 11 o'clock. Let the other guys play. In the meantime, you see how we got here. You can rewind the video and go from there. Let's put on the top step levels. And I don't know why is this like that on my 15. Something to look into. I don't know what. I hate that this stuff. I gotta do it all the time, but it's okay.
Six more accurate trade.
Close that. Close that. So.
Switch monitor. John. Hey, you might be done with something now. Listen to Top Step TV. Lock it up. Lock it up. Hang out.
We've seen a lot of that shit. Good days, people locking it up and start. That was there. Stick around and get past it.
Gee, Lucas, the best up. I've heard of it. Looking it up. I'm actually looking it up. Oh, right. G-Town. It's on that 20. It's a 5.10. That's funny. Actually, that's all right. 9:45. Yes.
Everybody oldish.
There's for a tick. How many trades they did? Three trades. How many winners? No losers. Two winners, one loser. I should have, I was up. It was $4,000 in the profit. The free market was always, take a trade that had a stop in profit, couple of profit. And I was debating on just flattening the day before the day started. I knew that. Ended up getting lucky to actually catch a portion of this moves. I'm not just. Poorly executed day after a poorly executed day. So, you lock out. Two lock up. No, I haven't, just in case there's something that's not the show, but it's on videos. Oh, maybe it's locked out the show. I have locked out the show, Andre. Excuse me. When? Did you? All right, fair enough. I stand corrected. Yes, locked out the show. Locked out. Freaking 90s. Ruin. Something. Give me a little something. I don't want to be too greedy.
Antonio, ¿qué opinas de las nuevas reglas de Top Step? Lo que opino. El dueño de Top Step está pobre. El dueño de Top Step no es pobre. El dueño de Top Step tiene esta trading business más de 10 años. Él viene de trading en Chicago. Él trabajó en Chicago, en el stock market de allá de Chicago. Entonces, tiene buen asesoramiento, tiene dinero para invertir en su compañía y no está detrás de robar a los clientes, o sea, nosotros. Por $50 tú puedes comprar una cuenta y sacarle provecho. Aprender, quemarla. Cuando la pasas, pagas 150 y listo, Federico, ya entras en una cuenta que se llama XFA. Ya. Y te están pagando y luego de ahí entras en una de verdad. Entonces tiene 3 procedimientos. Muy buenos. ¿Qué pasó? Que había muchos traders buenísimos como tú tienes y otros muchos aquí en este canal que eran se les acercaba gente, puede ser hasta yo. Hey, Pinelo, ayúdame a pasar esta cuenta y yo te pago. Y tú me la ayudas a pasar. Entonces yo voy al segundo paso y yo te digo, ayúdame a pasar al otro paso. Y paso a mí. Y me pasas con buenos números. En el nivel 2 y en el nivel 3. Y vengo yo y hago mis cuentecitas bobas y gano. Y cuando de pronto, ¡pum!, pierdo. Pero hay otros que sí ganan y ganan y luego, ¡pum!, se les va. Resulta que encontraron que había gente que le estaba haciendo eso y pusieron un estate quieto. Y lo siguieron haciendo, entonces implementaron las nuevas reglas para protegerse de muchas cosas como también yo le decía por ejemplo, a Juan Pablo II, hey, usted compra largo y yo compro corto. Y ahí ganamos. Cuando las noticias, aquí, allá, todo eso lo están descubriendo, se están dando cuenta de nuevas cosas, 8 días. O yo te doy el número de mi cuenta para que tú me la manejes. Entonces se están dando cuenta de eso. Y por eso implementaron la
One of the best trades I just looked at. I have a longer term, my decisions. Let's go that. Everything towards I know everything looked all back to cash.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now you see where we have the box. The box is going to go right here. Watch. This is the no trade zone right here. We got to get out of here. When we get out of here, this area here, then you have a trade. If we go long, let me do the text. Right here.
I admire your discipline. Watch, what's called trying to it's been I'm walking the next one, inside. That was fun. Okay, so the last position stuff. You guys know me, I love downside volatility. It's like my favorite thing in the world is just to press the red button and just kind of walk away, get those violent moves. And
I have executed so poorly the last 3 days that I'm like net $4,000 and I was short, what was that, 22,200 basically on Friday in the morning. And, yeah, didn't have a ton to show for it. I did a couple grand, but I was looking for this full rotation of value to the other side, and now onto these lows, I'm a little,
If you don't know, you work twice.
at least until tomorrow. But yeah, I feel a little bummer right. I definitely could have captured a lot more points.
So you, together well. Closed. Yeah, why do you train like shit? Why don't so you train for it? It's
Not trading poorly, just managing winning trades.
Right there. Short, long, and that's it.
It's just sometimes it's tough. Trying to be a little looser with take profits has bit me in the butt a few times. Then trying to be a little too fast with taking things off, and then it just happens. So it's a fine line. Are you doing the right thing about? But you definitely can trade FOMO. I just have not like snowballed back into trades.
This one is gonna whack me.
Told you.
Oh, may I ask you a favor? Of course. I want to ceremonially, right now, and hand you sword of the House of Talon for the next half hour. It is fun. I'm gonna stay on here, but
I'm flat.
I've been executing great for like the last 2 weeks. Everything that I'm working, blowing up my face right now. So I think you continue to look great. I know myself right now that I can't be executing good, especially getting cheating. So the rest. 100%.
So I mean, you have something very still. Closed incoming, last week, they went down, 038, 10 points off lows. Please don't make them look so thousand. Last something happens. I was running away. Some possible business you have that. Get that. Let's see, Euro close. Euro maybe. Euro close 90 seconds. Try it. It's not into the markets. It's break even children.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're done for today. That's it. Long here, short here. That's it. Right there.
Shoot the longs.
What is this?
Then finally.
What is this? 141.
Specs, photos, Bigford, ticks, rolls. Isaac Fair joining us later on in the power hours. Everyone coming out here.
Settings.
Global trading. I'm in front of 600 people all across the globe. Abstract on version.
140.
I'm trying to long right here at 46. Both photos.
You're relentless, sir.
He is wild, man. What do you mean relentless?
I get it, Mike. Inside the box again.
I mean, honestly, yeah, just sometimes when I think I have a really good trade on, it's usually trade on go. And then I'm like, oh, I'm only gonna do 66 straight pieces. Then you get comfortable. And you come back to your screen and you're like, you're close. Total. You're close. Yeah. Just like I mean, the buyers keep getting rejected, so it's just that's just how it went. Did you see that? I think buyers thought they had it. Even I had it right there too. I spent on my man, dude. I don't know who has it. Well, it's cheap, so I'll be close to $60.75. testing lows down there, and then 33 pound, SP level, put that with lows. New lows. You know, that worked out already.
Okay, we done. That's it. And it just clear. It just passed. Boom, 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 boom. Dum diddy dum. Diddy dum diddy diddy dum dum. Ding diddy dum diddy diddy dum dum.
Order filled.
Remember I said, didn't I say this number earlier? 88 or something?
30 goes from there.
Okay, so we're done, gentlemen. We're done. We're done. Let's see, where are my boys? Right here, one top step.
But so just I give us a follow-up shortage, looking for 21,000 evens in the NASDAQ for the development time. Okay. It's the time. This gas is just like almost it's like 86, 100. 10 years below 4.3 in yields. It's kind of telling a slowing story, like the brakes on the vibe, so to speak. For two looks vote for us. Oh, it's 21. So it's real. So I mean, this is where
Going. And we got 11 minutes on this one. And how much do we have on the other one? Wow. When it's short, it's short. Let's see, it's gonna hit right here. 89. No, we're just gonna go 50. 50.
saw we are seeing a 450-point range in the NASDAQ today. Seeing a 90-point range in the S&P today. Volatility is back. Like I said, it's volatility back in the 8. Right there. Okay, what I know where my frustration.
No, I love it. And the stop. Let's put attention to the stop right here. Right here is 060. 060. 060. Right there. Manual. But we could do it. 286. We could do it here too. Watch. Position. We go to position. Risk. 286. Where am I? I've been doing this without my glasses. Oh my God. 286. 286. Boom. Done. See that?
It's definitely been fast market.
Done. 286. So I could erase this one and take profit. Take profit. Where do we put that take profit at? Take profit.
Look at that. Wow.
50. Didn't we say 50?
It's just going down.
Right here. 50. So this is 367. We put it here. 3, 3, 6, 7. Watch the magic there. Right here. Watch the magic here when I press it. Boom. See? 6. Oh, crap. Now it did 6. I don't know why. But if it's 6, we're going to add 3. We're going to add 3. So, oh, no, that's not going to work. That's not going to work. 386. 386.
Big board.
385. 385. 385. Yeah, right here. 385.3. So now it's right. So, ladies and gentlemen, traders, it's that simple.
To the date.
If you forget to do it right here. If you forget to do it right here, you could do it there. So we're risking what we're risking, and that's that. We're risking 286. But it looks like it's not going to happen. But let's work it another way. Right here.
Not so bad, right?
Right here.
It's just an idea of like.
Right here is 068. 060. Let's just.
If it's all the way back. Great. Trade here.
Sure does. Hey, Jack, I want to do some news. I want to do some news here, and we'll just board games. Oh, what's that? Let's Jack. Yeah, let's fix it
We're
up.
going to risk right here.
News update.
But quite honestly,
First thing I already showed, just
let's see if
the end here,
yes,
pop that midpoint thing. Once again,
86.
lower.
86.
So Bitcoin is entering this big gap here in the election rally now with the pack consolidating the 90 to 100 day range. And for right now, we got Bitcoin trading at 86, 437 spot market. And watch, see after today, just an update. The old study, 8% chance of a half point cuts at the end of the year. Might be different, like took a screenshot this morning, 21.7% chance.
Here, 90. Where is 90? Where is 90?
Question. First, would you drink this broccoli cheddar?
90. That's the stop.
Broccoli, barely touched, double dry broccoli cheddar, I get.
That's 466. Actually, I don't like that number. I want to be above 1,000. If worst comes to worst.
Second. This should have been the sign, right?
Let me see.
So that they go, you're a bread.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, broccoli cheddar brew. This is second. I'm gonna follow the story of the Alabama Police Department and with all the rest of the department. I do love this tweet though. Gee, I wonder who the kind-hearted but easily manipulated pensioner of the operation was. Might be the top center. Looks like it's the distance between the eyes.
It's gotta be right here.
To the mask.
Order filled.
Press the wrong button. Never mind. Clear.
Sort of.
Flying.
Probably not anymore.
That's this right here is a clear long. Let's just go one long.
Order filled.
Let's see what happens. Let's see if he rejects you.
Guys. Was it like $1,200? 5.7. Still one guy on that? 5.
So again, you haven't done it, do it here. Take profit, what it just took, $400.
Just plug the IV wall.
400, give me 400. And risk, 250.
Break up the buyers.
Let's see, this is the test of the 9. This is the test. I'm gonna just close position.
Order filled.
We're done. We're done. Ciao, Pascal. Hey, first time watching, subscribe. I don't have any subscribe. People don't like what I do. People like what I do. Either way, subscribe, like, and check me out. And we can chat and learn from each other. That's the idea.
investigated all. Reason why probably it's not that. Like catch up sometimes. You this and that. Well, a good example is